You know what I searched for? Bear sexy.
Dude, you fucking now I'm gonna lose to the audience also.
Yeah,
now
yeah. What's the last movie you guys saw?
I'm perfect.
Like through
Guys.
the mask, like through the helmet and all, you can see the kajal now.
Every time you see me on Antariksh's show, just know that the other show didn't work out.
Don't be first, but I will.
You just keep making it worse for me every time. Fuck, this is
I can tell you, but then I'll have to kill you. You know, they're one of those. What are the odds?
I did it. I did
How
it.
did I
first.
see that coming?
I did it first.
How did I fucking
I
see that
did it
coming?
first. Okay, a little more respect probably while
Hey,
giving
here
the
you go.
melodies,
Here you
but
go. This is
It seems degrading for some reason.
sorry.
yeah, it's very degrading.
Guys, dude, make more friends. Man. Hello and welcome to That Filmy Game Show. Yes, that's the name now. That Filmy Game Show. The show where through Bollywood acumen and knowledge, we find out who amongst us is the biggest Bollywood Badshah.
Oh, that changed.
Oh, you get it. You
it's
get
the
it. You
Bollywood
guys like it?
Badshah.
Words and all, dude.
Hey man,
That's amazing.
copyright.
Wait, this is another show.
Legality. Yes, that's how it
Bollywood
works.
Badshah
Yeah,
now.
then what happened to your
Bollywood
first show?
Hey, moving on.
Sure.
Listen, if it's a female, then like what?
It could be Begum. You want to be
Sorry,
Begum?
I forgot Begum is the word.
Could well be Begum. So
But
if
you don't know
see-
about Begums?
If you see
I
on
do,
the,
I do.
so you guys will become either the
Show us the
Bollywood
question,
Badshah
answers.
or the Bollywood Begum.
Okay.
That's what you guys
I
will
don't
become.
mind being the Badshah. Govind, you can be the Begum. It's cool.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
cool.
okay.
can
Okay,
take
go
it
into the
as-
Begum then. That's how it works.
Great.
I'm not.
We are doing it live now.
sexist,
We're
so
doing it
it's fine.
live.
We're doing it
Yeah.
live. We'll do it live.
We'll
Fuck
do it live.
We
We'll
are.
do it live.
Okay.
Okay, you guys don't know that?
Okay, sit down. Yeah.
What, you don't know the reference?
No.
What the fuck? I just did that for nothing.
Antariksh, a lot of
Come on, man. You know the reference,
a
guys.
lot of times you say things and think people
Bill
know the
O'Reilly,
references.
Fox News, ultimate favorite. Just type
You
in
pick
GIFs.
up random videos and you're like 2014 में जो एक YouTube video है, you guys don't know that with
Come on,
5
man.
views.
Station, I'll be chilling and be like, hey, did you watch Conan go bowling the other day?
Hey, by the way, Govind did watch that video that I was telling you about Govind bowling, and it's a good video.
Sometimes it works, but yeah,
recommend.
okay.
Okay,
But
coming
yeah,
back,
that filmy game show.
coming back to the show.
This looks
We-
nice, by the way. This is nice.
Thank you, man.
How to make it?
Canva. Okay, welcome. We are doing it live for the first time. Hey guys, we have a few audience members. It's a full house. You guys can't see. There are 2 audience members here. It's a full house. We put out
It's
only
a
2
full
chairs.
house. There are
Actually, we
2
put out 4
chairs
chairs. It's 50% full. Actually, that's what happened. And I know the guy's name because Digvijay. He stays in my building.
What?
Okay, and he's
Oh,
a
so you
fan.
know him personally?
No,
We
he
know-
didn't.
oh,
I
we-
didn't. He was a fan of Just a Film of another show that I used to do.
Oh, you guys didn't know that it's the same building.
Yeah, that's what.
Oh,
So
that's
and then this guy, I get a very sweet message on DM on Instagram. Ke hey, I see that your mother has been posting on our WhatsApp groups. Ke please go to my son's shows because nobody's showing up. And that's how he saw me.
That is incredible.
That is awesome.
Your mom is the best.
How awesome is that? Thanks, mom. She's
And
definitely
has
going to watch it.
very little influence, by the way, your mom.
Hey.
No,
it
I like how your influence-
This happened in one day. No, it didn't.
Conversion
is
It
not
took a week. It took a week.
I like how your influence didn't leave the building. it didn't leave the society.
That's the way I like it too. We've gotten a new setup and all. We put out these
Dude,
tables.
You're nailing it.
Yeah, looks pretty good, no? What do you guys think? Yeah, the effort shows, thoda? Huh? That's what. Now the problem is I have to replicate it every week. That's gonna be an
We
issue.
won't see it because you only call us when it's starting.
That's
At
true.
least
He
Hoshang.
only
That's true.
invites us when he's
Yeah.
trying something
No,
new.
like this is very evident. Like both the episodes I was on, I lost, so I know why I'm here
To lose.
as a test.
But Hoshang
guest,
also
and
lost, I think.
I
Did you?
know,
also
that's
lost,
why
and
we're
then you
both
never
here.
called
Right.
me again.
No,
Yeah,
that's why
well,
we're both here. We
yeah,
both
that's what.
lost.
So you both can lose
we both-
together.
Yeah, we're
Nobody-
both
But
test.
it's a fresh
Nobody's
start,
gonna
Govind.
get-
Don't bring
Yeah.
old points into this.
Nobody's
Last
gonna
time
get
you
it.
game
got
show.
me, you got me Mikhail. So
Mikhail was
that
dude.
he was too good, so I can't.
That episode with Mikhail, you guys have you seen that episode? Oh, okay,
yeah,
cool.
it's a podcast.
Oh, okay, that's fine. You can. It's
No,
fine.
no,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
Mikhail was
He's too
excellent
good.
at knowing the year the movie came out
Yeah,
in.
he's autistic, na?
He is, right?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
what
that's
I
how you
said that, and he got
promoted-
offended on the show. You remember?
Yeah, that's how you promoted the podcast.
You
That
put that in
episode.
the reel?
And I collaborated on that reel, and then someone commented saying that you can't say all of this publicly. You can't say someone's autistic.
That happened.
Like,
That actually
okay,
happened.
cool.
That
I
actually
had
happened.
nothing to do.
So let's talk to them. Let's talk to them a little
Yeah.
bit. Digvijay, and you are with
Anjali.
Anjali. Are you guys married?
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you guys been married for?
2 years.
2 years. Hey, congrats! I'm about to get married. You know it if you heard the last 3 episodes of my show.
You'll get the invite from his mom. Don't worry.
at this point, you have to. Right? At this
Please
point, you
go
have
to my son's
yeah.
wedding. Nobody's coming.
Yeah, it's happening at Boomerang Building. Come there only. What do you guys do? So, what do you do?
So I work with, they have a big social media policy, but I work with a bank. So
No, we'll beep it.
They have a big social media policy, as in you can't.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Employees can't mention the bank.
but there are so many rules around it. So
Shit, are you a spy, dude, or what?
In
Yeah, I can tell you, but then I'll have to kill you. You know, they're one of those.
With interest rate.
Yeah.
No, wait. Let him say it, because otherwise he'll have to beep it 5 times. So yeah, yeah.
Wait. Next, every other time you say the place you work, right?
Yeah.
Every time you say it now, you can just say there, where the place I work, okay? So I have to beep it less. I don't want to
He
go through the
was
footage.
finishing a sentence, then you interrupted
I
him
know, but he
again.
already said like 5 times.
Yeah, but
because you guys didn't hear.
Okay. There.
Okay, go ahead.
There.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like a very fancy job. I work in markets division and sales and trading in terms of equities, macros, all of that.
So do you tell people where to put their money in? Is that
No, I assess what the traders are doing and I tell them that if you're doing a good job or not. And
Oh.
then we sort of tell
Also,
the
you give them like 1 star,
Oh,
2 star. Like, good job.
Well,
Just
like
a
that.
thumbs
We
up.
actually decide
Yeah.
their performance at the end of the year, and we report to the head of the
Shit,
market.
you judge for you judge people's
Do you guys-
investments.
Do you
for-
guys have an understanding of how good you are at understanding all this equity and financial
know I'm
stuff and all
bad.
that? You're not bad?
No, I am bad.
Oh, you are
I-
bad.
I-
All of
I
this I
can't
heard
understand
only on Shark Tank,
Yeah.
dude.
I did.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
dude.
yeah, yeah.
I
Exactly.
studied-
I didn't know
equity.
what ROI was. No, I knew. I know
I
what
studied
ROI was.
commerce for 4 years. and
Dude, same. So I
I
studied
still don't
commerce.
remember. Oh, shit.
Not once did my balance sheet match.
No,
Not once? Okay.
Not
No
once.
wonder.
Yeah,
No
same,
wonder.
same.
That
Then
makes
my
sense.
mom told me it doesn't have to. You'll still get marks if you.
Step marks and all we used to get.
What?
Yeah.
What
you don't have
marks?
to balance
If you just
it.
write P and L, they give you 1 mark.
Is
Yeah.
that it?
Yeah.
I have no idea. I didn't study commerce.
Oh, he's the smart one, guys. Okay. And ma'am, what do you do?
I'm an assistant professor at IIT.
Oh shit.
Jesus
Okay. Okay. Fuck.
Do you have to beep that out?
Do you?
What if IIT fires you from your job?
No, but do they also have a similar policy of?
Yeah, I mean, that's more about like the work you
Do you think if I don't show your face because you're not being recorded, they'll recognize from the voice? Or how many assistant professors does IIT have?
IIT has around 700.
Okay, again, let's.
Yeah, good,
wow.
good.
Oh, okay, that's awesome. 700 assistant professors.
So you say
Full professor,
that I'm an assistant professor, so they'll never know who you're talking about, because
Yeah,
if it's a
yeah.
guy's voice.
yeah,
Yeah,
this
switch
dude
professions.
is an
Yeah.
assistant professor. at
Yeah,
IIT.
that's how we go around this.
Yeah, he's here alone, man. This poor guy. What do you teach, ma'am?
I work on energy and climate policies.
Energy and climate policies.
So what do you think of all the ACs that he has turned on for this podcast?
Hey, लगता है यार तो बॉम्बे में हो? What do you think?
No, this is completely okay.
Okay, great.
Oh,
Okay, you
okay.
teach this. ACs are fine.
He came in a
car
car.
AC is not that much.
Add it in the description,
Yeah.
climate friendly podcast.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Hey,
yeah,
there are
this
new
is
cue
climate
cards
friendly.
also.
Yes, there is everything, man.
It's plastic, Antariksha.
Sort
It's
of-
not friendly
Hey,
at all.
people don't need to know that. I grew that with a lot of patience and hard work.
No, I like
That's
the
my
new
fifth attempt.
I like the new cue cards, by the way.
Oh, you do? You don't like the old ones? Thanks.
The old ones. What old ones?
It's all good,
What
man.
do you? What old
There are
ones?
no old ones.
I don't remember
Yeah.
any
I've
old
been on
ones.
Just a Filmy Game Show, now that Filmy Game Show. Next time I'll be on this,
This
Filmy
filmy
Game Show.
Another
Does
filmy
this
game,
even a filmy game show? Question mark? It
First
still
episode
exists.
of all the Filmy Game Shows.
Yeah.
Every
Imagine
season is a new name.
Like 10 years down, I'm still trying to make this work.
Every time you see me on Antariksha's show, just know that the other show didn't work out. That's when I come on.
That's true. It's funny because it's true. What you guys are? We're gonna start this show out. Okay, we're gonna be playing a lot of games based on Bollywood films, Bollywood songs. A lot of the games you would have seen if you're fans of another show that I used to do. We're gonna be playing a lot of games based on Bollywood films, Bollywood songs. You guys will be competing against each other. You guys are competing for something. Okay.
Biggest loser. Because
Because you're still here. You're here.
Yeah.
You guys are competing to become, as I said, the biggest Bollywood Badshah.
Dude, I thought one thing.
The problem
changed
is
from the
I didn't have
old
time
show.
to make a cutout, so you guys have to make a cutout yourself. But that's fine. That's
fine.
That's fine.
I
Yeah,
can't
that's saving
believe
the environment
Yeah.
also,
Hey,
of course.
you get it?
I can't believe the budgets can go lower than IBM, but
Hey,
turns
you
out
know,
it can.
they are higher because actually the audience also plays.
Okay.
And every time they get an answer right, they get a couple of melodies. Just
Oh,
let's see.
okay, a little more respect
the-
probably while
Hey,
giving
there
the
you go.
melodies,
There you
but
go. This is probably bad for the environment, right? Oh, sorry. Last one.
They haven't
Okay.
answered anything until
Yeah. Hey, just to start with. You guys also want? You want one?
no,
melody?
no, not
Okay,
like
no,
that.
you're good?
Not,
Okay, cool.
not the way you gave it.
Okay. So
Okay.
time and again there'll be moments where you guys can chime in and see if these guys don't get an answer, you guys can get an answer. There'll be
so
some
that
games
is
where
gonna be
games where
every
you'll be
question.
playing along. Okay, so like you see how it goes.
Dude, you fucker, now I'm gonna lose to the audience also.
Yeah,
now
yeah.
that 3 times,
You'll see.
you just keep making it worse for me every time. You got Mikhail last
You got
time,
Mikhail
who knows
last
all the dates. This time the audience also wins.
Oh, that's too funny.
and they listen to the show, so I mean they're fans of
yeah,
Bollywood.
that's probably that's true. That's probably true.
I've gotten no comment being like, wow, this guy knows something. Nothing. No one gave a fuck
Nobody,
about
dude.
anything.
If you read the comments of your episode, like, don't get these guys back. They know nothing about Bollywood.
But then
I'm
in
not
the
even
same
kidding.
breath, they also say, wow, Antriksh also knows nothing. Sometimes.
Yeah, that also happens. That
Yeah,
also happens. Yeah. Dude, again, see,
You
it's
can't know
impossible to
everything.
know
Yeah,
everything.
everything. Yeah, you
now
really
there are
can't.
people out there who will know the most niches of references, and they'll get angry that why the fuck do you not know my reference, dude?
True.
That's how your
probably me. Yeah,
references feel to
that's
us.
how
right?
I
just
really
realized
started
that's
the
me.
show.
Yeah.
It's me in everyday life.
Okay.
What is the most recent Hindi Bollywood film that you've seen, and how do you like it?
Oh, shit.
It can be in the theater, it can be on Netflix, it can be anywhere that you've seen it.
Wait, what did I watch? I think Jawan.
I think Jawan.
was the
Oh, yeah,
last.
we
The
did
last
see
you
Jawan.
came on Mikhail
No.
also.
Yeah.
It's Jawan
I don't
only.
think I've seen anything else after. What came after? What came after? Give me like
Merry
movies.
Christmas.
No. I wanted to watch Merry Christmas. I just
Oh,
forgot.
wow.
No,
Same.
I actually forgot.
We forgot.
Actually forgot.
Yeah,
Okay.
because
that's fine. That's fine.
everyone said it's a good
It
movie,
is
so
a
I
good movie.
wanted to watch it.
Yeah,
but-
better than Jawan. What's
Yeah,
the last
okay.
movie you guys saw?
I think I saw Fighter.
Oh, Fighter.
Ooh, was it good? It didn't do well.
No, but we saw that Vikrant.
Vikrant, 12th Fail.
12th Fail.
Both very good. But Fighter came after 12th Fail.
He sees more movies than.
Oh, okay. Fair. You're busy teaching students and...
She used to say you go on your own, like.
So you go on your own?
I have a friend who.
Oh, thank God. dude.
What do you mean? I go
You go on your own. Okay, I'll go. Oh, my own.
But was Fighter good? I didn't do well, so.
I mean, again, the last 20 minutes were pretty bullshit.
Yeah.
I don't want to go into the politics of it, but.
Oh, Pakistan.
Oh, it's not about that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I like through the
Guys-
mask, like through the helmet and all, you can see the kajal now. In the Pakistani fighters.
That's true. That is true.
Yeah.
Yesterday, I was
Yeah.
at my girlfriend's place and even she hadn't seen it. So her-
Fiance.
So, oh,
No,
sorry,
yeah.
fiance, I forgot. You know, he said fiance instead of looking at my ring and looked at my watch. For how long, huh?
Oh, some more months. Yeah.
It's only after 12 she's not my fiance anymore. So I was at my fiance's place and with her mom we were watching Gadar 2.
Nice.
Dude, I tell you what,
Yeah.
It's
Fun.
good. Yeah.
like,
Better
dude, for
than
what
Gadar?
it is, it's fine. It's fun only. I understand why I don't.
But
that
you
much,
expect that from Gadar too, by the way. These
It's not
kind of
the way.
dialogues.
I
yeah.
just get
Yeah.
very weird
Fair.
vibes from Amisha Patel. I just don't like her.
Yeah. Okay, fair. Why you don't like
Amisha Patel.
Ye Lazy Lamhe
Yeah.
from your favorite movie of all time?
Which movie?
Oh no, that's not Tara Number. That's from
Yeah.
Thoda
Hey,
Pyar
don't
Thoda
shit on
Nazik.
Tara
Sorry.
Number, okay?
I'm
I'll
sorry.
fuck you
Sorry. Okay, you will.
Jesus. I hope there are questions about Tara
Let-
Rampal
what are the
today.
odds that that will be the case? Anyway,
What are the odds? That you wrote the questions.
so you see,
you
man.
know.
No, what are the odds that he
are?
mentions it and
okay,
it still
okay,
shows
okay.
up? You know?
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
Okay, let's
Are
go.
we starting? Yeah, okay.
Let's start with the games,
Let's
guys. You guys
start,
ready?
let's go.
Again, you guys will be
Yes.
participating, but don't give an answer before these guys. That's it. Okay, so don't prompt them. Okay, what we can do, no? See, I can give you guys a gift. A gift will be a movie poster that I don't have with me right now.
अभी building में रहता है, दीदी
Yeah,
को बता
exactly.
के-
But I will absolutely give it to you. I will absolutely give it to you. The thing is,
Throw it at him.
see,
That's how you're giving
the
him
thing
anything.
is, you guys are playing for each one of them. You know, like, so Govind can be playing for one person in the
Oh.
audience. Hoshang can be playing for one person in the audience. You will be crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah if you
what
win.
when you get more audience? What is
You
your
play
plan?
with one person and one person. You'll choose one person always
Acha,
from the
okay,
audience.
okay, haan,
so
okay,
luckily,
fair.
we have two people today.
It worked out, dude. It worked out.
Yeah, it worked out. Yes, we planned it. We planned it. So you guys
Okay.
you guys will be crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah
Got it.
or Begum, whatever. But if you win, then the prize goes to your person you're playing for. And if Hoshang wins, it goes to the person he's playing.
So we don't get it.
So you guys don't get the poster.
Dude, we don't even
Okay.
know them. Why are we
Yeah.
playing for them?
But it's for the audience to get involved.
Okay,
for
no,
build
no,
a
it's a good-
community.
it's a
you know?
good
We'll do
tactic.
it.
It's a good
It's a
tactic.
good- it's a
Oh,
tactic,
you
sorry,
flipped-
good
You flipped in an
way.
instant.
It's not a tactic.
You're making
It
fun of
is
me less than
good.
10 seconds back. man.
I just had a doubt ki
Okay.
what when there are more people. That's all.
Okay, cool.
He's concerned about the future audience.
So, ma'am, what is your name again? Anjali. Digvijay and Anjali.
Digvijay and Anjali.
Hoshang will get first pick.
Why am I getting picked? Let them take a pick.
Yeah,
Huh?
let them. Let
Yeah,
them.
Okay,
yeah.
who do you want playing for
Who
you?
do you think is
Who do you think is
worse?
stronger? And who do you want
To
playing for
give you
you?
context, he lost the last show he was on. I lost the last show I was on.
I lost twice.
So,
I lost
you're stuck
twice.
with losers.
Hoshang lost once, but that's only because he was called once. So that's the only. Otherwise, he would have also lost twice. So
Digvijay.
We'll just do it easy. Like, the right one is mine.
Oh, okay, fair.
Wait, who's-
Non-diplomatic.
Yeah.
Just keep it simple.
That's degree right there.
Again, I have to beep that, dude. Stop talking. Stop.
College we can talk about. And I don't know if it's. Is it
I have to
university?
beep it a million times.
I'm not talking about the bank though.
which
Okay.
bank?
Premier League.
Oh, okay.
That's the same bank.
Oh shit.
Premier League. You think that's a different?
And nobody's sued. You know, WWF had to change his name because they were globally WWF, World Wildlife Foundation.
Okay, wait. So
Yeah, right and left. So
What is
Govind,
right?
Govind, you're
Who's
playing for
right?
Anjali. Govind is,
you're right. So you're Govind.
yeah, correct. Govind is playing for
no. He was.
Oh,
yeah,
Yeah,
I saw his
Hoshang
face.
is playing for Digvijay. Govind is playing for Anjali.
yeah, okay,
Fuck
cool,
yeah.
What are you guys dumb?
That, wow, nice
No,
way to treat your guests,
it's
man.
Fucking throwing
Okay.
chocolates at your audience, screaming at your guests.
Great energy for a.
Here you go, guys.
That seems degrading for some
Yeah.
reason.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's very degrading.
The thing is, I'm afraid of throwing it fast and hard, you know.
Such
Okay,
a
cool, very
bad. He has to pick it up every time, and that just looks so bad.
It's like I'm throwing arms, you know. Lo beta cow. Okay. So let's move on. You guys, you saw Jawan and Animal. What do you see?
I also watched Jawan with him only.
Oh, with him only.
That was the last time you
These
watched a
guys,
movie
dude,
theater.
make more friends. Man. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's start with the games. Okay, the first game you guys are gonna be playing is called Bollywood in Jeopardy. Copyright.
Yeah, it's the same. Bollywood in Jeopardy is nice. Nice.
That's
That
how
changes
you
the
do
meaning
it.
of it
so
though,
much.
right?
Yeah, it does, right?
Yeah.
But it's not really in Jeopardy. It's just the name. How this game works, if you guys don't, in case you don't remember,
Yeah.
is I will read out the Google plot description of a very popular mainstream film, and you will tell me after buzzing in with a unique mouth sound you make each time, a unique sound you make with the mouth each time, and you'll buzz in. Whoever recognizes first gets to go first. But the Jeopardy angle is you have to ask it as a question. You have to say the answer in the form of a question, like is this
Yeah.
fighter, is this Jawan, and so on and so forth.
Thank you for
Alright?
explaining, man.
In case, you never know, man.
It's a very
The
unique
in
game. We have
changed-
never played this
you
one
just-
game before.
yeah,
It's
you
a
haven't?
specific game.
You really haven't?
And
No,
of
we
course we have,
haven't.
dude. That's the first game every episode.
It is, yeah. Mostly.
Maybe
Mostly.
change the order.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's fine, right? It's
Yeah,
first
yeah.
episode. We'll flip
Okay,
it around
We'll
here.
figure it out, dude. We'll
Okay,
figure
let's
it
go.
out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready to win.
So the thing is, I am a one-man operation today.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be keeping scores.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me know what you think of the new setup. By the way, this took me quite a long time to put up all this.
No, this looks nice.
Okay.
Maybe
Better-
the curtain can be a different color, but
मैं
otherwise it looks
7,000 और नहीं खर्च करने वाला मैं फैंसी
Also,
curtain
the
के लिए.
venue could be in a completely different place also. If you
Hey, no,
could change
Millennial
that.
Pod. Shout out to them, yeah. So also, I don't know how I keep it in, but we are doing it at our comedy venue, Circle Fox Comedy Club, which I
Yeah.
should have mentioned right up top.
It's okay.
But it's
Editing.
okay.
Yeah.
It's okay, yeah. And
This is in Chandivali.
we do shows here regularly, so please come check out shows if you are interested in stand-up comedy. And both these guys
and
come
for the
eventually.
podcast, promote.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
the
and for the podcast,
yeah.
come for the live podcast, too, of course. वो
Yeah.
तो हो ही रहा है, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you get it. ठीक है.
Okay,
चलो,
let's begin.
let's go. Let's start. Bollywood in jeopardy. The first one is we know one. An honest and valiant policeman Dash fights against injustice. However, when he encounters a corrupt politician Dash, he decides to teach him a lesson. Hoshan goes first.
Is this that Anil Kapoor movie with Amrish Puri?
What is the name?
Yeah.
I can't remember.
Okay, can
either way,
I don't-
either way, it's not. But
What?
go with-
Yeah, I don't think
you're
it
wrong.
is. That's what I was thinking. But I'll do it. Is it Nayak? It's not. No.
Why did you? I just said it's not. You wasted your answer.
Yeah,
still.
because then I'll get
You
no
still
time to
wasting your
think.
answer.
I'll tell you why. Because then I'll think. Because he also doesn't know. So let me think.
Police movies.
Okay.
Politician. Is this or nahi?
No, wait. You guys are done. Wait.
Yeah, now it is.
Now. I know you guys know the answer. I'm pretty sure you guys know the answer. Okay. But before that, I'll give you another chance for 2.5 points.
Give us a hint.
Yeah, I'll give you a hint.
Yeah, please.
The
Yeah.
hint
Yes, I
is that this is.
You forgot.
Okay. The politician's name is Jaykant Shikre.
Oh, wait. Oh,
Yes, is wanted.
No, it's not
what?
awarded.
what? Where wanted?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah, Govind acts as if obviously not wanted.
Abey, this
And
name
still-
I know,
Oh, you know the
dude.
name?
This
Jaykant
name I
Shikre?
know.
Come on, hey, meet Jaykant Shikre Ahe. Was that a line in the movie? Something like that. Along those lines. I think
Hey,
it's.
bro, can I?
Yeah.
Is this is this Singham?
Yeah, it is Singham. Thank God. Wow.
I act
Wow.
like I
He
know.
wasn't a police
I told
guy.
you.
He was just a regular guy. I
Yeah.
forgot.
I act like I know.
Yeah.
Wow, you're always against me.
No, I'm
In
not.
the-
Also, that Nayak he was a journalist.
Yeah.
This is also fine.
And he was a corrupt politician, though. So.
Yeah. So the audience can get to participate. Should I still throw them a few?
Why do you like throwing things at them, dude?
Like how many will they eat? Right? They get bored of melodies.
There are other questions, no?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Let's go to the next
Okay, cool.
one.
That was Singham.
Hey, it's still a bear slide.
No, there some will change. You'll see. You'll
different
see,
bears?
man. You'll see.
Okay.
Dash and Dash are two photographer friends who like to flirt with women constantly. After a trip abroad, Dash. Okay, Govind will go first. But after a trip abroad, Dash decides to disrupt Dash's life when he sees him enjoying the company of 3 ladies.
Oh, fuck. Is this garam masala?
It is garam masala. Wow,
Ah,
okay,
fuck,
nice.
I knew this one.
Okay, cool.
All the
Very cool,
movie
very
movies
cool.
we know, huh?
What, Singham?
Sorry.
Next.
You made a bad choice by picking him. That's what's motivating me right now.
अबे same घर में जा रहा है यार, कोई बात नहीं.
New bear slide.
It's
Yeah, you
right.
get it.
Next slide will be a photo of a
Yeah.
grill.
So for those who don't know, this is our bear slides because I don't want to go to the answer slide. I'm saying there's a buffer slide.
Yeah.
Next one. That was Garam Masala director Priyadarshan.
Priyadarshan.
5. Next one. Dash wants an Indian bride for his NRI son. He gets him engaged to Dash, his friend's daughter. However, she seems to share a deeper bond with Dash's foster son. So
He wants an Indian bride for
Yeah.
his
Fuck, is it Indian
NRI
matchmaking or
son.
Do you guys know?
gets
Okay, the
him
audience
engaged.
is aware.
Can I tag them in?
I will. Okay, you know what?
Wow.
Let's do that. Let's do phone a friend, but you can only use it once.
Oh shit.
Phone
The
a
entire-
friend?
Yeah.
Oh,
So phone a
okay,
friend is
that
basically
sounds
like ask the audience. Actually, we'll make it 2 lifelines. We'll do ask the audience one, and you can actually call a friend of yours if you think they'll know the answer. We'll let that be open.
Okay.
Okay. What do you guys think? What do you guys
She
think?
seems to
Dash
share a
wants an
deeper
Indian bride
bond
for his
with
NRI
blah.
son. He gets him engaged to Dash. The first and the last are same. Dash's foster son. I can.
Okay. First
Okay, I can-
guys.
Yeah. Okay.
How
Fine.
Foster
does that
son.
matter? Do you know the movie or not?
Yeah,
Arey,
really.
I don't know. Let me check, no? Indian
Okay.
bride for his NRI
Take a
son.
wild guess. There are no negative points.
He gets him
Take a wild guess.
engaged to.
It's an Indian bride. Why do you want an Indian bride for an NRI son?
Arey,
that's a
I'm
very
just
good-
gonna do it just
That's
to
weird.
move.
Yeah.
Blah, blah, blah. Is
Yeah.
it? Arey, what the fuck?
Make a
Namaste
noise.
London. Is it
No,
Namaste
it's not.
London? Ha, cool.
What do you think?
Just
Ushan?
one movie, you know, where they try to get married.
Ushan, anything?
Are you have
Ushan,
an
anything?
answer or what? Say na something.
Quick.
Is this? No, I don't have an answer.
Yeah, you have nothing. You
Okay,
fucker.
no
At least
answer,
I had an
no worries.
answer. Okay.
I will tell you the first dash and the last dash. The name is Kishori Lal, played by Amrish Puri.
Was I born when this movie came out?
When were you born?
97.
97? I don't think so.
Go to the answer. Let's check. Let's check.
If I was alive when the movie came out, I would definitely know.
What, as a 1-year-old, you would have watched.
When you won?
97.
Oh, this came out in 97.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
See, you were born.
But not in the.
No, you
in the
were
exact
born.
release date. Was I still in my mom's
Shut up,
womb?
dude. Do you have an answer or no?
Yeah.
Fucking wasting time. Okay, cool.
Yeah. No answer. Neither of you have an
I
answer.
also don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you guys? Okay, wait.
They all have to make a noise, na?
No, you guys can answer as a team. What do you think it is?
As per this.
Yes, Pardes. Yes, correct. Pardes. Is the answer. The audience
I would have
gets
never guessed that.
5 points.
Okay. Shit.
Okay. So
Okay,
the
okay,
audience is
okay.
beating Hoshang right now.
Yeah.
Okay, but
Okay, so
Yeah.
that compete with each other. Like,
I-
both
I
of
mean,
us are together.
I mean, for how long will that go on? You know? If we have 4 people in the audience, God forbid. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Next go. The next one. More bear. Dash an up and coming car racer. Go and be first, but I will.
I did it.
First.
I
Go and be first. What are the odds?
I did it. I did it.
How did I
first.
see that coming?
I did it first.
How did I fucking
I
see that
did it
coming?
first.
Wait, I'll give you the answer and give you a fun fact
No,
about the movie.
No, who cares? I did it first.
No, he beeped in first.
Yeah?
But Dash, an up-and-coming car racer, suffers a devastating setback in his career due to an accident. When he loses everything, his family helps him conquer his demons and make a comeback.
Well,
Govind Menon.
Is it Tara Rampam?
It is Tara
Thank you so
Rampam.
much. Thank you so much.
It is the one movie I watched 10 times in theater.
Dude, listen, I did that noise, brother, and then I was like, why didn't Hoshang say it? Or I got confused.
I took a second
See,
to read
is
it.
Tara Rampam?
So, again, for those who know Hoshang, this is his
No,
favorite.
it's my favorite Bollywood movie
Bollywood
of all.
film.
Doesn't
the
look
fucking
like
all
it if it
time.
took you that long. It's not even my favorite movie.
It should not take you that long.
I just went back to nostalgia. Like how much fun I had watching the movie the first time and the first 10 times I
Keep
watched
going
it.
to nostalgia, I'll win.
How many times have you seen it in the theater?
14 times
In the theater?
in the theater.
And still
And
you couldn't understand this
How
this
stretched
fast.
out were those 14? Were you like back to back to back to back to back? Roz aane ka?
I
Yeah,
think
actually, yeah.
it was every weekend for 7 weeks, and I was
How
Saturday,
old
Sunday.
were you when this came
They were
out?
different times.
I think this came out in 2007. I was probably 13.
Did you go alone or did
No,
you
with
go
my sister.
Your sister also kept coming
Because
14
they
times.
wouldn't let me go by myself. So she had to come.
Your sister's younger than you.
Yeah,
Why was she-
why are you going?
Acha, okay. I thought like a person
Wow.
to go
Can I tell
with-
you a fun fact about
No,
the
who
movie?
cares, dude?
Oh, shit.
I'll tell you
You
a fun fact.
loser.
Bollywood show?
I'll tell you a fun fact.
loser.
Siddharth Anand is also the director of
Of?
Pathan. Is,
I know.
is that the fun fact you had?
No, it's
Oh,
not.
thank
It
you.
was
What's
supposed to be
that?
called "Don't Worry, Be Happy."
Oh, I think you shared this back in
Yeah.
the day.
Oh, did I?
But no, it's fine. But and then
And then what? They didn't call it.
that's it. End of story. That's it.
That's all that.
No,
happened.
this is a better.
Because they were like, no, at the end of this movie, people are going to be
Yeah, no,
worried.
they're like, we're still in India.
About Saif Ali
The movie
Khan's
shot
career.
in New York, but we're releasing it in India.
Is this a better name or is Don't Worry Be Happy a better name? Tara
I do feel
Rampam
this
or-
movie was way ahead
Tara
of its
Rampam is a
time.
kids movie. Don't Worry, Be Happy is also a kids movie.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
what's
I
a
guess-
better name?
Yeah, I don't
I
know.
For
can't.
Indian market, Tara Rampam. Now, who's gonna want to watch Don't Worry, Be
Arey,
Happy?
people watch Hey Baby.
टेंशन
That was
टेंशन
also
नहीं लेने का खुश रहने का should have been the name.
क्या बॉम्बे है क्या टारगेट?
Shona.
Only Chandivali is the audience. Tension नहीं लेने का.
That's Dharavi language.
I got introduced to Javed Jaffri through this movie.
Sorry?
I got introduced to Javed Jaffri through this movie only.
Oh really?
I hadn't seen
Yeah.
Javed Jaffri before.
I didn't see Boogie Woogie before.
Oh what?
Yeah.
Didn't Salam Namaste come?
Tara Rampam changed my life.
No, that came after.
Came
No,
after.
wait.
Wait, why are we looking there?
2004.
2007,
Okay, wow. Our audience member
2007.
knows.
I think it was after.
Yeah, Salam Namaste you've not seen.
I have seen Salam Namaste. I've seen all Saif Ali Khan movies.
Oh, that was the 14 times you saw in the theater.
No, that was one time.
Is that a criteria for a movie? Saif रहेगा तो देखने
I'm
का.
If
sorry.
Saif comes out,
Hey,
you
listen.
gotta go.
What did you like so much about this film?
Yeah, Tara Rampam
Yeah.
was not.
Listen. First of all,
Yeah.
it's not
There's
just
a first of all.
First
Yeah.
of all, it's the first time I was watching New York. Okay, so I was already fascinated by it.
New York is a different movie.
I mean, Lawrence movie.
I know.
He's in New York.
Joking.
Right?
Wow, he took that very seriously.
Love
When
it.
you said wow.
I'll not
Okay.
tolerate any hate on Tara Ram.
But it sucks. That's fucking. That's fucking.
The show sucks,
Wow,
Antriksh.
you really don't tolerate anything, but I got the point. So
He's so passionate
You have
about.
no idea how much hatred I have inside of me right now for you because you stole that point.
dude, I paused after doing one brother because I was like, I didn't.
My favorite
understand.
part about this movie
Yeah.
was the comeback. Like he got into an accident. The other, like his arch nemesis, put him into that accident. But
Okay.
he came back, and he could have been a nicer guy and just won the race without killing him.
Wait, what? He kills him.
He does the same thing the racer did to him in the first
Oh, I
race.
don't remember.
What the hell, dude?
He drifts him to the right. He kills the guy, and then he wins, and everyone's like, "Yeah, Saif Ali Khan."
He actually dies.
We never see the white guy again, so we don't know if he was alive or not.
Okay.
But just probably like majorly.
We don't even
injured,
see the ambulance
physically
come to the.
handicapped.
We don't even
After
see the
that.
ambulance come to the track. Nothing. They just
Yeah.
show the Saif Ali Khan win.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Also to show that they were poor, the kid had to eat glass.
What?
It was a dark movie, guys. It was way ahead of its time.
How did the kid not die?
No, he was about to die, and that's when he was like, "Oh no, I have to race again."
Oh, he went to the hospital, got
Yeah,
injected,
yeah,
and had a
yeah.
whole.
Acha, okay,
course,
okay.
of course, that makes
Fair.
sense.
Great.
ठीक है.
Okay. Next one.
Yeah.
We'll do a couple more in this and then move on to the next game. Movie number 5. 4 good for nothing con men force themselves again go with 4 good for nothing con men force themselves into a blind couple's home, pretending that one of them is the couple's grandson from America. Comedy ensues when all of them fall in love with the same woman, and the blind couple unveils their own sensational secret.
Is this Golmaal?
It is Golmaal. Yes,
One.
absolutely. Yeah, it is Golmaal 1. Correct. Full 5 points for Govind. What I will do
Is never call me again on the show, motherfucker.
Yeah.
what I will do is Hoshang.
Yeah, thanks.
Golmaal 1
Huh?
has a full name. Like after a hyphen.
Full musty.
No, I'll give you time. If that was your first guess, you're lucky. Because it was wrong. That's a different franchise.
You tried to.
That's a different
You
franchise.
tried to like extend an olive branch and you said a full basti. No. Achha, yeah, it has a full name, na?
There is a full name.
Okay.
Because Govind already got points there.
Yeah,
I want
yeah,
you to
yeah.
have some points.
Yeah.
So what do you think it is?
I told you what I thought it was.
Do you want to try again? It does start with F. And there are 2 words.
Fun musty.
Oh, so close you are. Okay, I'll tell you the first one is fun. The first word is fun.
And there's one more word after
And
this?
then one more word.
Golmaal fun.
Yeah.
E.
Huh?
Funny.
I said there are 2 words, but you're wrong. You guys know? What is it? Fun Unlimited.
Unlimited.
What did
Unlimited.
you do in movie 2? Limited fun.
No, it's
This
more
is when this
unlimited.
they removed.
Okay.
If
different
Golmaal
people,
returns.
na? Thoda udhar idhar.
Golmaal returns, Golmaal
Yeah.
back again.
Oh, it's like Antriksh show. Thoda idhar udhar back is the same.
Okay, great. Okay. Let's see for how long you say 1. Oh, say at 0. Yeah? Okay, we'll do
Give me 1
more.
point for fun, na?
Yeah.
But
Arey,
you-
shut up, dude. You
But it wasn't
loser. Come.
unlimited. Yeah. Okay. Number 6.
Oh,
Wait, what was that?
More bear slides, barefoot.
What? Oh.
Oh my god. Wow. How many can you do? See when
These
found
three.
enough?
Right now for these 3. There's bears,
Bear TV
bear
show will
grills,
come now,
and barefoot. Barefoot.
gay people call I think hairy fat men bears.
Yeah, you're right.
You can put
You're right.
that.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. I put a photo of myself. It was.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, we'll do one last in this game. Dash, a love guru. Okay, you'll go first. Dash, a love guru who shares tips on dating women, helps his client Dash woo his boss. However, he later falls for a single mother and tries to hide his profession.
Go.
Is this partner?
It is partner.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
Oh,
partner.
fuck. Nice.
Partner.
Well done, dude.
Thanks, dude.
Some
Thanks.
points.
Very cool. Nicely done. Go on.
I met Govinda.
Ushank? Huh?
You
He was my
met-
dad's client.
Oh.
Yeah, he used to come to Jaipur to buy jewelry.
Oh, nice. At least that helped you get
Then one time
5
on his way,
points.
he got into an accident and never came back.
What's your favorite Govinda movie? Do you have a favorite Govinda movie?
एक और 11.
हनी है तो मनी है नहीं
हनी है तो मनी
मनी
है.
है तो हनी है
What?
नहीं
That's not a Govinda
हनी
movie.
अरे no fuck what is that movie called
Honey number 1.
No,
Honey number one कोई movie
Honey
आमदनी
number
अठन्नी
one
खर्चा
movies.
रुपया.
नहीं रे why would I say
That's
honey
a
and
good
money
movie where John
Yeah.
Oliver is
No.
aggressively violent.
But it's a bad movie.
Oh.
But I mean, yeah, especially
Govinda was fun
now-
in it.
Govinda
Hey,
was,
listen, what are the
reality
points?
TV, huh?
Ah.
What are the points
Tell me not winning.
That was the end of this game.
Yeah, that's why.
So the points now are Hoshang is at 5,
Yeah.
the audience is at 6,
Nice.
and Govind Menon is at 17.5. Wow.
Dude, that's more than I've ever gotten on your show at IBM, by
So
the
you will
way.
realize
welcome,
these are I've gone for the easiest
Yeah, you
super
have.
mainstream
Yeah.
films. Just
You don't have to
because,
say that.
You know,
No, you
actually-
really have. When I started getting everything, I was like, this has
this
never
can't be.
happened.
This is not happened before. Okay, but ठीक है.
Oh, it's a
Nice.
bear with bare foot.
Yep,
Nice.
that's levels.
Okay, what's the next game?
The next game is called Please Release Me Correctly.
What?
Okay.
Please release. Okay, I'll change it. The next game is called Please Release Me Correctly.
Okay.
Okay, how this works is I will name 4 movies, 4 popular mainstream films, and I don't need years, months, days of the week. Just tell me the correct order in which those 4 movies released.
Got it.
From oldest to newest.
Got it.
And you guys will also get a chance to just have a go at it. So let's go. The first 4 films, both of you get a chance to go at it. So the first one can start with Govind. Second one will be can start with
Both of us
Hoshang.
get it right.
And that's also fine.
Both
Yeah.
get equal number of
Yeah,
points,
yeah.
huh? Good.
Oh.
Okay.
ठीक है. First one is give me the correct order in which these Amrish Puri playing the villain films.
Oh
were
man,
released.
this is fucking.
So A. Karan Arjun, B. Nayak the real hero. Oh, Nayak also got mentioned again. Huh? C. Badshah and D. Mr. India.
Shit.
Have you guys
Okay.
seen all these?
I've seen
have
Mr.
seen
India,
all these.
Badshah, Nayak, Karan Arjun. I don't remember.
Karan Arjun is
I've
great.
seen it, but again, don't remember. What.
Yeah, same. I don't remember when it came or anything about Karan Arjun, but the others I've seen. So, shit, yaar. I wish I knew when Karan Arjun had come.
Fine.
They didn't. Nah, that was the whole movie.
Huh?
They didn't come.
अरे अरे
No, no,
रोना आ रहा है क्या बाहर
No,
के?
आते हैं यार, आते हैं.
क्या हो गया है?
But they come back.
Yeah,
I
dude.
thought the whole movie was कब आएंगे?
नहीं मेरे Karan Arjun आएंगे.
Okay,
Oh,
I'll
then they come.
I'll
And
go
then they
with
come.
I'll go with A D C B.
A, D, C, B.
Yeah.
Hoshang?
That's what I was also gonna go for. A D C B.
A, D, C, B.
What are you guys going?
Are you
with?
no wait. Are you guys fine with the answers?
Yeah, this is my final
Yeah,
answer.
ADCB.
Yeah.
That's right, yours down. So okay, both of you are saying ADCB. What do you guys think?
It's Mr. India, Karan Arjun, Badshah, Nayak.
Ah, fuck, it's
D,
DACB.
A,
Right? Okay.
I don't like my
CB.
partner anymore, dude.
He knows more. That's the only thing I was confused about, and you fucking got it.
So Govind and Hoshang have
A-
both said ADCB,
Yeah.
which is Karan Arjun, then Mr. India, then Badshah, and then Nayak.
Yeah.
And Digvijay and Anjali from the audience have said DACB as their answer,
Yeah.
which is Mr. India first, then Karan Arjun, then Badshah, and then Nayak.
Yeah.
The correct answer is DACB. Absolutely. It is Mr. India 1987, Karan Arjun 1995, Badshah in 1999, and Nayak in 2001.
Arey
Nayak the real
yaar.
hero.
Okay,
Another
fair.
fun fact: Badshah was the second movie I saw in theaters.
That is a fun fact. That's the second movie you saw in theaters ever?
Yeah, first was Titanic.
Okay.
Hey, first was Titanic for me too. Yeah. First was, I remember watching Titanic as.
Did
You
you
were too young, dude. When
I remember
was
watching it.
Yeah, when I watched it, I was also very young.
Yeah,
so
I never said
don't
I
know.
remember watching the movie. That's what my parents told
I
me.
remember thoda sa.
Do you guys remember a year? I think around 1999 to 2000, जब New Year Eve हो रही थी. Yeah, exactly. You guys also remember this?
क्या?
Hey, so Titanic on 31st December 1999, going into 2000.
Yeah.
They played it all day long, just back to back to back on
Right?
Star Movies. Was just Titanic.
Oh, I don't.
Because everybody thought they were gonna die now, Y2K and all.
Was that it?
I think that was the reason. They're like, why does it matter?
No,
what's
I
Star
think-
Wars believed it that
no,
much,
I
right?
think it was just because it was a popular movie, dude.
Yeah.
And everyone loved that movie. It was like it won the most number of Oscars any movie had up to that point.
It did. Yeah.
Oh shit, I don't remember this. I was also 7. Yeah.
I was
so-
3.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, you.
No, when I first watched it, I had just born.
He also 92 born.
Movie came out
93.
in 97.
I was 6, 7,
Okay.
yeah.
I was
93.
5. Okay, cool. Let's go. Next
Let's
one.
go.
Yeah.
So that was.
We were close
The
though
audience
this time.
gets.
That was.
ADCBD.
The audience gets 5
The
points.
audience gets 5.
Okay.
Which comes to me, right?
No, you guys get 0.
No, dude.
Take it next. Give me the correct order in which these Ranveer Singh films released. You guys will know.
He was in a
these
movie
more.
called 83.
A. Dil Dhadakne Do. B. Gunde. C. Gully Boy. And D. 83.
Okay, Gunde.
Okay.
That's how you know Hoshang doesn't know sports at all.
Yeah.
1983 was the year we won the World
Okay,
Cup,
B-
Cricket World Cup.
What was he doing in it?
He played Kapil Dev in the movie, in the
Oh, okay.
movie adaptation of that year.
B for Bombay. A, C, D.
B A C D.
Yeah.
Gunde, then Dil Dhadakne Do, then Gully Boy, and then 83 is what you're saying.
Yeah. Wait,
Gunde
I'm
I
just
watched when
thinking.
I was in school and I bunked school to watch Gunde.
Okay.
Dil Dhadakne Do I haven't watched.
Wasn't
but I
worth
know.
it, huh? By bunking school for that.
This guy goes for the worst Tara Rampam and
Tara
Gunde.
I
Rampam.
went to watch this movie called Faltu. on a
Okay.
school
Was it
bunk.
good?
No, no. It was
Okay.
a copy of
That's Faltu.
Accepted.
Okay, what's your
yeah,
answer? You just keep
BAC.
giving fun facts. What's your answer?
You're
dude?
also saying BACD?
Yeah, because that's the correct answer.
Okay. BACD is Gunde again. Dil Dhadakne Do, Gully Boy, and 83.
83.
Yeah, BAC.
What's your? That's the. You don't remember 83, by the way.
No,
How
but I
is that
remember when
the-
Gully Boy came out.
Acha, okay.
Okay. Anjali and Digvijay?
Same thing.
BACD.
Okay, everyone.
Yeah,
saying
dude.
Yes.
I'm liking you again now.
Okay, let's see where we are. The correct answer is BACD, absolutely.
Nice.
Gunde in 2014, Dil Dhadakne Do in 2015, Gully Boy in 2019, and 83 in 2020.
Nice. By the way, all those bear slides makes it look like you have a foot fetish. Just saying. Just saying. It's too many feet. But-
That's 5 points for everyone, all round.
Yes.
Alright. Maybe I should have a caveat. If you're going with the same answer, you
Yeah.
can only win 2 points. or
What do you
something.
mean?
No, but
Next
see,
Hey,
if
fuck off now, let me
someone
take points.
No, if like he didn't know, he just copied the
Listen,
answer.
I
but
knew.
Arey, theek hai, but
Okay, next
like,
time I'll answer first.
No,
Yeah,
you don't,
everybody
because
believes
I've
that
also
Usha-
done this.
Next
If
time
you
I'll
watch the
answer
Mikhail
first.
episode, I also just said what he said.
Yeah, next
and
time
I was
actually,
like,
yeah.
I knew. I know what this is.
I knew about BACD.
Arey,
I
shut
had no
up. You
idea.
didn't know what 83 was at all. So you didn't know when it came.
For all you know, should have covered 1983 too.
You shouldn't have said that if you wanted to pretend like you knew the
I
answer.
was gonna say BACD. I'm not sure.
But you
Put it
shouldn't have said
anywhere.
you don't know what
wow.
83 is.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wow.
Okay. No,
Okay.
but like I'm saying, sometimes people do know the answer. If they're answering second, then
Yeah.
That's
I
true.
guess.
That's true. Yeah, fair. ठीक है, वो भी चलता है.
ठीक
So
है.
next,
हाँ.
and the last one in this game. Give the correct order in which these Imran Khan films are released.
Oh.
A. Jaane To Jaane Na. B. Delhi Belly. C. Katti Batti. And D. I Hate Love Stories.
You're just making up movies now.
No. Fun fact: Katti Batti was the last film he did. It was with Kangana Ranaut.
Thank you. I guess.
Oh, that was pointless. Why did I do that?
That's what I was confused with. So thank you. A, D, B, C.
ADBC. Same.
Thank you.
Hilarious.
Yeah, ADBC.
Yeah.
Okay, A, D, B, C.
Yeah.
That's too funny. A, D, B, C, Jaane To Jaane Na. Then I Hate Love Stories. Then Delhi Belly.
Yeah.
And then Katti Batti.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Hey,
I'll just write down.
give us another fun fact. Which one was I Hate Love Stories? That's the second movie he did.
What do you
What
guys
do you
say?
guys think?
I think it's A, B, B, C.
Yeah.
Yeah, also
ADBC. Nice.
C we know. C we know.
I mean, that is-
Yeah, A is obviously the first. So. Wait, did you write this down
Yeah.
after saying the question? Say fun fact.
I thought
I'll give you
tell
an
it at some point.
answer.
I'll tell it at some point. And I thought, in my head, I thought, oh yeah, this is a fun fact I can give, and it won't help them in the answer. Serious.
Yeah. Okay. What is the answer?
So also fun fact, what the fun fact full was that it was the final movie he did was with Kangana, and apparently he had they say that he had such a bad experience working with Kangana that he was like, nah, fuck
I'm
this,
done with
I'm out of
acting.
acting only.
Oh, okay.
They say, I don't know.
Okay. Is this the correct answer?
Maybe she started claiming she was dating him also. Okay, moving on.
What do you think? Kangana's gonna ban you? Or it's okay.
What, you don't know
can
this?
talk about
What
what?
do you-
Kangana-
No, I know.
I'm making a reference to Hrithik.
Kangana
I know. I
Hrithik
got
Roshan.
that.
you got
I'm
it.
just saying, but
Alright, then see.
no one will do anything to you. man.
No,
Yeah,
Kangana won't. Sale
Won't come to Chandivali.
Haram.
Okay.
The correct
What's the
answer
correct answer?
is ADBC, making all of you right again. It was Jane To Jana in 2008, I Hate
I'm
Love Story
catching up now,
2010,
dude.
Delivery in 2011,
I'm also moving
and
ahead.
Katti Batti in 2015. No, you're not catching up.
Yeah, I'm also
You're
moving
just
ahead.
getting
The
the
audience
points
is also
everyone's
moving ahead.
Yeah.
Everyone is. That's it.
I'm catching up with myself.
You're just not at zero
I'm not at
anymore.
zero.
But I think
That's honestly all I wanted.
no double digits. That's good.
Am I in double digits?
Yeah, of course you're in double
Yeah, yeah.
digits.
Okay, the scores where they stand at the end of game 2 now are Govind at 27.5 leading. Okay, very cool, very
Thank
cool.
you, thank you.
Keep mine a secret only.
Hoshang is at 15,
You're not too far.
How
back.
many? 20?
27.5.
27.5. You're like 3 answers.
Wait, where did I get 0.5?
You got 2.5.
Where?
In the very first one.
Acha, okay,
Because
cool.
you got after a hint.
Okay.
And the audience is also still 1 point ahead of Hoshang at 16.
You don't have to reveal the audience's score, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
The next game is
Fun. Now I am having fun. This is fun. This game's fun when you are winning.
the next game is a very cool game. The fun twist here is that the audience gets to play along this time.
Okay.
Okay, so like how this game works is I will name an actor or actress. You'll give me movies or songs of that actor or actress depending on the question. But after say Govind says one, Hoshang says another one, and then the audience gets to go and say one as
And
well.
then you throw chocolates on their faces.
And then
No,
throw
until
chocolate.
one of us can't. No? And
Unless
then
one of you runs out.
I hate this game so
Oh,
much.
yeah, I remember this game. This was the
Let's see.
worst.
Chalo, okay, let's go.
Let's
the
go.
first one is we'll start with Govind only.
Oh God. Okay.
Give me movies of Deepika Padukone.
Okay. Oh fuck. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Go.
Oh, Ajay, we have to go.
Yeah, one.
Pathan.
Yes,
Fighter.
fighter.
Oh fuck, dude. This is so fast. Wait. Dude, I should. Wow, man. It really
Yeah.
makes you go blank.
wasting
huh?
time.
I'll-
About 30
Om
seconds every
Shanti
time.
Om.
Om
There you
Shanti
go.
Om, yeah,
That
correct.
movie.
Correct.
Tamasha.
Yes, correct. Is that Tamasha?
Parinde.
Yep, correct.
Piku.
Yes, Piku.
What is that Rajasthani movie? Fuck. Padharo Rajasthan? No, what is that?
Padharo
Padharo
Raj. You're from Rajasthan. Why are you being so weirdly racist about Rajasthan?
Fuck, what is that movie? The Sanjay Leela Bhansali movie?
You say.
I can't. Huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you say.
You don't remember any.
I know, I can go again.
No. What's that movie?
Jaldi.
Jaldi kar de yaar, please yaar, come on.
You have 30 seconds every time. You have about 15 seconds left.
Okay.
Yeah, dude, shit
Okay,
yaar.
reduce it to 15 next time. This is embarrassing.
Oh fuck, dude. You know, when
Bajirao Mastani.
Arey fuck, he got it, dude. Nice. He's trying to.
Jesus,
Guys.
that took long.
Padmavat.
Padmavat. The audience said Padmavat.
That's what I was thinking.
Fuck! I was gonna go with Padmavat, but okay.
Go
Fuck, this is. Wait. What else is she in? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gairaya.
Yes, absolutely.
There you
Oh,
go.
Triple X.
Huh?
That is a Hollywood
But
film.
it's Deepika Padukone. Don't say Bollywood.
See,
already.
it's a Bollywood game
It's a
show.
Bollywood game show.
It's a Bollywood game show.
You have 30 seconds. Think of
Shit,
another
yeah.
one fast.
That's
instead
what
of
I was thinking of all this.
I'll give you about 25 seconds more.
Give me a hint also, no, on the side.
What's the hint? There's another Sanjay Bhansali film left.
Black?
Black.
No,
You think
it's not.
Deepika Padukone was in
No,
black?
bro. There are more Shah Rukh films left.
There are more Shah Rukh films left. What Shah Rukh films?
Om Shanti Om.
Okay, about 10 seconds max.
Oh. Fuck, why did you take Padmavat from me?
I didn't. They
No,
did.
not you.
Yeah,
him.
okay.
And you're out. You're out. There was Ramlila is the Sanjay Bhansali movie.
Ah, yes.
Goliyon ki Raase Ramlila. There is also Chennai Express.
Oh, Chennai
That's a Shah Rukh
Express.
film.
I didn't thought of Chennai Express.
Which one were you going to
Also Jawan. She was in Jawan.
Om Shanti Om.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yeah. Houseful. Houseful also, right?
Cocktail.
No, Gunde mein she's not there.
Shit,
Gunde is Priyanka, no?
Cocktail.
Cocktail, yeah. Yeah, okay. Cocktail, yes, correct.
Okay, fine. So who gets the point? Me?
Everyone except you,
Obviously
na?
not.
Everyone except Hoshang,
Everyone
right?
except-
Yeah.
It's not fun to come all the way here from Bandra just to get embarrassed.
Oh, you had
huh?
to say Bandra
I wanted to say
for
Bandra.
no reason.
I worked really hard to come here.
Next one. That was 5 points for Govind and the audience. Next one is sing me songs. Starting with Hoshang. Sing me songs of Amitabh Bachchan. Like you can just sing a line or two from each song.
This some.
Let's play Hole.
This is.
He is not in this song.
He is in the song.
He's in the movie,
Waqt.
not in this song.
I got
He
that.
has to be
right.
in the song.
Oh fuck.
Yeah. Bolo?
So this doesn't count?
No.
Oh fuck. हम हैं यहाँ तुम हो वहाँ. That's the Bagban song, no?
You're saying it completely wrong. But you're so far behind that I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna give it to him.
I'll let this one slide.
You're gonna give it to him.
It's मैं यहाँ तू वहाँ.
But you got.
What do you say? What did he say? मैं हूँ यहाँ मैं हूँ तू
हम हैं
वहाँ.
यहाँ तुम हो वहाँ. Which is true. He was there. She was there.
No, this is not wrong. Technically, you're technically right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, technically, you're not keeping the same show.
Okay. Okay, cool. What do you guys?
Go ahead.
Oh, me? We're going as
Yeah,
anti-clockwise
yeah,
now. Okay, my name is Anthony Gonzalez.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah?
Guys,
Satya pe Satya, koi bhi.
Go, back to you.
मैं हूँ Don. मैं
that's
हूँ
what I was-
Don.
Yeah, correct. It's
what I
right.
was
Again,
gonna
your
go
tune
with.
is so wrong.
I was gonna go with that, but now what?
क्या? Fuck, I have to think of another song.
Chini kam hai, chini kam hai.
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
one.
Good one, man. Good one. Nicely done.
Thank you, yaar.
Good one. Nicely done. I'm a rapper now. Hoshang?
Well
Okay,
done.
guys.
Ram Gurse.
Ah, fuck.
Chumma! Chumma!
Wow!
I did not expect you to get Oh, fuck, okay, what other? अरे हाँ गजरा रे काले काले
Kajrare.
Kajrare.
You heard Kajrare. He said it. He did say
First
it
I
wrong.
said
He did say it wrong.
Kajrare, then I
first
said
time.
Kajrare.
But then he corrected himself. It happens. It happens. Yeah. Govind's done, guys.
Shaba, Shaba.
Say Shava, Shava.
Oh my God,
Mahiya, say
yes, that was
Shava,
a good
Shava.
one.
Mahiya. And another part is it say Shava, Shava, Bhangra?
What
Go.
other movie was he in? I'm trying to think.
I wish I
The
hope
Shava,
I'm
Shava
right.
movie.
Yeah. हाँ?
Shava, Shava movie.
मेरा नाम है भूतनाथ.
ये कोई गाना है
You can't just hope that I sing the name of a movie he was in and it'll be it.
Oh, fuck! I've never seen anything been sung that out of tune. Oh, fuck!
Yeah, say, Hoshang. You have about, I'll give you about 20 seconds more.
Oh fuck! Wait. रूप तेरा. अच्छा, it's the same song.
10 seconds.
Give me some movie of his.
Why?
You just, the Roop is the तेरा सोना सोना वाला movie. कौन सी पिक्चर है?
What?
कौन सी पिक्चर है?
कभी खुशी कभी गम.
और पिक्चर और गाने क्या है?
और गाने तो याद नहीं आ रहे ना.
यार.
हो गया ना 10 second.
Okay, done. You're done.
Yeah.
But did you have another one? If in case,
I tell me if this is right because I don't remember if he was in it or no. But the Mama told me don't be talking. It's Sanjay Dutt. No, sorry, it's Arjun Rampal.
Arjun Rampal,
Yeah.
yeah.
Mama told me.
Don't be talking to a stranger. Don't be talking to a
Amitabh
stranger.
Bachchan was saying
Yeah.
Arey, listen, you didn't even get an answer.
other
You don't
Amitabh
get to
songs.
tell me.
I can't
Had
even call
you
it.
said, buddy, you said Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Had you just said Kabhi Khushi
That's it,
Kabhi
yeah.
Gum,
I just wanted to.
na juda ho gaya.
Okay.
Also,
he
old,
loses.
so many like Tere Pyar Ka Ras Zara Chakna, Oye Makhana.
I don't know
Oye
that
Makhana.
one.
That's the from Bade Miyan Chote Miyan
Okay.
and another Govinda movie. Govinda and Amitabh Bachchan together. Very good movie. Double role.
He does this and this.
Obviously,
Okay.
he does that in every.
Okay.
Hey,
Yeah.
there's some Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna mein. Is there a song
Yeah,
with him?
rock and roll,
Ah,
Soniye.
that- yeah.
Doliye man
Amitabh
pe
Bachchan is in the
le
movie?
liye.
Yeah, he's
Yeah,
a
yeah.
fuckboy.
Amitabh Bachchan is a fuckboy?
He is actually.
Yeah,
a
he is
fuckboy
a
in the movie.
fuckboy in
He
Kabhi
just-
Alvida Na
Yeah,
Kehna.
yeah.
Dude, did you know Amitabh Bachchan is like bald?
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
correct.
An 80-year-old is boy? Who would have thunk?
Who would have thought that? Yeah. Oh, revelation, right? But yeah, that's what they say.
Yeah. Of course.
I don't watch a lot of Bollywood, but I follow the Bollywood subreddit. So there's a lot
I
of
get
gossip.
it.
Yeah.
So you saw pictures of him without hair and with hair?
No, they just keep talking about.
Boy band and gossip. Everyone.
You know what's
Is
up, dude.
everyone
You know
on it,
what's
dude?
up.
Is everyone
Everyone's
on
on
it?
it.
Everyone's
Of
on
course.
it, dude.
It's a big subreddit.
I'm sure like people like Alia Bhatt and all
Everybody's
read.
cheating on
Yeah, for
everyone.
sure.
Yeah, everyone.
Everyone is cheating on everyone.
They must read, no?
They read.
They 100% must. Their
It's
PR
a
must
very
be active
big
on it.
subreddit. It's
Yeah.
not
It's
like
7
a-
million subscribers.
It's very
yeah.
mainstream actually, actually.
Yeah.
Cool.
We
Yeah.
both
Doesn't matter.
get points, na? Everyone except Hoshang
Arre,
gets
yeah,
points.
you don't
na,
see
again.
that.
Okay. So that was the regular part of the name game. Now there is an advanced part where it is situation based. Since this is the first episode, it's very simple situation.
Okay.
You have to give me movies with double roles.
Arre,
Double role
don't
films.
do this. Who starts?
Hoshang can start.
Jodwa.
Jodwa, correct?
Okay. Duplicate.
Yes,
Arre,
absolutely.
yeah.
Does Om Shanti Om count?
Yeah, it does count. Yes. Reincarnation is fine.
Oh,
Yeah.
Jodwa 2.
Yeah. Fair. It is fair.
Fucking. Dhoom 3.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh.
Correct, guys? Yep. Correct. Both actually.
Fuck. Don 1.
Hey, no. Now he said.
Parichit?
No, man.
Parichet is not.
There's
It's
no
the same
double role.
guy.
Oh, it's the same guy. What?
रात को
Multiple personality
ये कर-
doesn't count?
No.
Ooh. What's the... Hello, brother.
Yeah.
कहो ना
No,
प्यार.
no, there's no double role.
Shit.
No.
Thank God. Okay. Go.
Wow, Govind said something and no,
Yeah.
luckily he did not.
That's why I said thank God.
Anything? Hoshang?
I'm thinking.
I'll give you another 12, 13 seconds, man. You're already past.
Okay. Come on, help me.
Hit you.
Help me. No, help me.
Achha, why? I'm
we're
winning
friends.
and for the first time. I'm
Because we're
winning.
friends.
But I'm winning for the first time.
And you're done, man.
Okay.
Did you have another?
Kaho na pyar
Yeah,
hai.
Kaho na pyar hai.
That's what I said. Kaho na pyar.
Yeah.
And then I
It's
just
also,
stopped.
I literally told you, बड़े में छोटे में हमें double role है. गोविंदा और अमिताभ दोनों का.
Hey,
There's
so
also
again,
आंखें.
everyone except Hoshang gets points.
Yeah.
The thing is, this
I
time.
think let's just establish that
the
that's
thing is-
gonna happen.
See, this time, no, it's not even 5 points. It's 10 points. Because it's advanced. Advanced is over 10 points.
You need to tell the rules before you start the
What do
game.
you think that's gonna change anything for you? Or what? You're still not gonna get
Hey man, I
points.
would have tried harder. I just said on 10 points, I was going to be losing.
Oh, so much fun.
So where we stand at the end of this game as well now is...
You don't have to reveal the scores after every round.
No, we do it now.
You have
Okay.
7 years of
Where we
experience.
stand here is Hoshang is at 15 points still. The audience is at 26 points.
Nice.
Quite a lead from Hoshang.
Yeah.
And Govind is at 47.5 points. Woo,
You
wow.
destroyed the audience also. Huh? What did they do to
Oh
you?
man, wow dude.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, the next one is I just realized.
I've never reached 40s and all today on your show. This is so easy. This is so easy compared to how
See,
it
the thing is, no, like as episodes go on, I have used up all the mainstream movies,
Yeah.
and it'll become
Yeah, makes sense.
The next game is my favorite game. It's called Versus.
You really didn't change
This
anything.
one, so I wasn't gonna change. This one, there's
Nothing
no
you
way I was gonna
changed.
change. I love this name.
Yeah.
And it was all me.
Oh, you know what
No,
you
he
can do? Put the other verses in front and that verses again.
That's the way it's gonna be. Smarty, dude. Hoshang.
This is actually a very good
Hoshang
game.
gets 40 points.
Yes! Come on, dude. Okay, don't give me 40, give me 10.
Why?
You know what?
I'm helping his show.
Okay, see, you know what?
Give him 5 points.
I'll give him 10 points.
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
name.
Nice. Thank
Okay.
you, dude.
You're on par with the audience.
No. You're still 1 point behind.
हाँ ठीक है. To be
ठीक
fair,
है.
take
It's still
the 10
double
points.
thing.
Otherwise,
This is-
how are you gonna reach? Yeah.
Correct. So know that there are 10 grace points.
Okay, so if I keep giving you suggestions for your show, will you give me points?
Okay, yeah.
That's
If
all.
both of
Okay,
you,
great,
yeah.
done,
So
done.
whoever comes with better suggestions gets more points.
Andre, shut the show down.
Okay.
Mine,
No, I'm kidding. No.
But this is a great game, by the way, to play. It's a lot of fun. Okay.
versus, no?
Yeah.
What's the game?
Let's go. How this works is I will read out
Finally,
the
cue
lyrics of the second verse of a very popular song. Okay? You have to tell me what the song is. Buzz in with a sound that you make with your mouth each time. And whoever buzz in first gets to go first. You don't need to ask your other question this
We
time.
have to answer
Just recognize the song from its lyrics.
Okay.
These are the lyrics of the second verse of the song
Yeah,
because
yeah,
the second verse is the least third part
Got
of any
it.
song. All right. So I'll just start.
Yeah.
And whoever, if you find it, you can buzz in. The audience can't answer till these guys are not able to answer. All right. That's about
Which
it.
will be a lot of times.
Yeah. So I'm sure you'll get
You'll get a chance, don't worry.
enough time. Okay. Again.
I want them to be involved, that's why I don't answer.
Yeah. Fair. Correct.
That's
Thanks,
why I
Vishak.
took- yeah.
Thank you.
Another
You
10
know-
points.
Yes. Give me their points.
Okay.
First one, song number 1, ka second verse, ka lyrics
Okay.
are as
Oh,
follows.
it's not gonna come on TV.
It's not gonna come.
Okay, I just kept looking
Okay.
there. हाँ, okay, cool.
Song number 1 ka thing are as follows. The lyrics are as follows. O mahi mera sone varga. O mahi tenu cham cham rakhna. Yes.
Can I tell the movie?
Yeah, see, you'll be helping him because I need the song.
Oh. Mahi we in Jab We Met?
No.
Okay.
Okay, now you can't answer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Till
so-
I give you a hint. That'll be after half
Yeah,
the points.
yeah,
Right now he's still open. All right. O mahi mera sone varga. O mahi tenu chum chum rakhna. O mahi mera dil menu kahi de. Okay. O mahi mera dil menu kahi jaye. Dil menu kahi jaye. रज के तकना.
Oh, okay.
Yes, yes.
Is it Moja Moja?
It is Moja.
Yeah. Oh, I don't have to say is it Moja
You
Moja.
don't have to
No,
say
wait.
it.
But I think it's both of us who got the point. Right?
No,
Because-
absolutely not. You'd already guessed. Okay, very cool. Very well done. Govind Menon, nicely done. Next one is okay. लड़ती पतंगों में, भिड़ती उमंगों में, खेलों के मेलों में, बलखाती रेलों में.
Okay.
Okay. Say fast.
Achha, no, read the whole thing though.
No. You
Arey,
already-
Achha,
Oh,
okay,
you
I
are
have
just
to-
pre-attempting it.
Wait.
I can read again this much part if you want.
Yeah, just read that part
These
again.
4 lines I'll read again.
हाँ.
लड़ती पतंगों में, भिड़ती उमंगों में, खेलों के मेलों में, बलखाती रेलों में.
Shit, I should have done
Are you
that.
checking on your phone the lyrics? Oh, I like.
I have 2 friends who are fans of this game. We play it on WhatsApp.
Oh, cool.
that is so cool.
Oh, dude, can you take a photo and send it and share it to us? Share it with us also. Yeah, take photos. Yeah, with us. More than
That's so
more than
cool. Wait, can you read it
Shit,
again?
I
लड़ती
really-
पतंगों
लड़ती
में,
पतंगों
भिड़ती उमंगों में,
उमंगों
खेलों
में।
के मेलों में, बलखाती रेलों में. Go with any guess because after this you can't guess.
Are you talking about a kite?
Till half, huh?
Is it a kite?
You wanna guess?
No.
Man, I should have waited for the whole thing
Okay.
because I know that I
Oh,
know
there's
the
more
song,
after
but
this?
I'm sure you. Yeah. So these are all songs that I'm sure both of you would have.
Yeah,
heard, right?
but-
So now you can't guess.
Yeah, okay, fuck
Till
it,
half
sorry.
point you can't
Yeah,
guess.
cool,
Don't
cool.
worry, we'll
Okay.
come back to you. Yeah.
Yeah. No, I wouldn't be worried.
I helped
Okay.
you with Moja. Give me one. Huh.
लड़ती again, I'll just read that again. लड़ती पतंगों में, भिड़ती उमंगों में, खेलों के मेलों में, बलखाती रेलों में, गन्नों के मीठे में, खद्दर में छींटे में, ढूंढो तो मिल जावे, कब का वो ईंटों में.
Are you giving me a
जब
riddle or
ए
what?
सवाल निखरे, खुल के आज बिखरे, मन जाए ऐसी होली, रग रग में तिल के बोली. तस से ना मस है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, तिसना यूं ही, तिसना यूं ही, तिसना यूं ही बस करिए.
there's no way these are the lyrics. Dude. I didn't know these were the lyrics.
These are the
Are you giving me a riddle?
Well, it is kind of a riddle.
लड़ती अरे यार I can't get the
लड़ती पतंग।
tune. The लड़ती पतंगों में वो सब वो line I know, but I can't
is
get
it
the
from
tune.
the Vidya Balan movie?
You guys have clearly gotten it. Yeah,
Is it from the Vidya Balan movie?
But it will have to. I'll have to do it, right? Yeah.
Is it from the Vidya Balan movie?
No, it's not.
Just
Okay, so
do
now
you-
half
do you-
for half. How it works is, since you guys are not getting at this point, I half sing each of these lines.
Okay. Do they
for
get
half
to?
the points.
Does the,
Yeah, let them try
Does
that.
the audience get
But
to?
they'll get it. I know they'll get it.
Acha,
And
you
the
know.
game- yeah. So
Okay.
half for half.
Okay.
Let's see. Also, my it depends on my singing. How you guys are able to recognize. Okay. लड़ती पतंगों में, भिड़ती उमंगों में,
Oh, Chak De India!
खेलो. Yes, correct.
Oh,
you're right.
nice. I would have taken another 15 seconds to think. So great. Well done. I'm okay with it because you got half points.
Wait, is this half point?
Yeah, of course. He
2.5
sang.
points.
He sang it.
Huh?
2.5 points.
Hey, 2.5 is still fine.
Okay.
I'm ahead of the audience now?
Huh?
I'm ahead of the audience now in points?
Yeah, after 10 grace points and
Yeah, after 10.
2.5
Fuck yeah, dude!
Only a matter of time.
Finally, you're ahead by 1 point.
Okay, next.
From the audience.
There are 2 audience members here. Okay. Next
Yeah.
is the lyrics are हाँ थोड़ी अलग सी है, हाँ थोड़ी गलत सी है, हाँ थोड़ा अलग सा है, हाँ थोड़ा गलत सा है, ऐसी भी होगी वो ऐसा ना सोचा था, ऐसा ही होगा वो ऐसा ही सोचा था,
I know this is from Tuesday.
क्यों लगता है ये अपना, ये सच है या है सपना,
हम तुम.
डर लगता, you can't answer now,
Yeah,
डर
wait
लगता
ना,
है
थोड़ा
कहीं
सा
होना जाए
बड़बड़
झूठ,
तो बोल.
Oh, I forgot. We have to
Yeah.
do it.
yeah. डर लगता है कहीं होना जाए झूठ.
A word I never said anything. No, I don't. I don't.
थोड़ा accusing you of anything.
Change the light.
Oh, change the light. Okay. Okay.
Okay, read
Uh,
it just once.
Okay,
More?
but you see, you can't answer already.
Why?
I can read for Govind now.
Acha, but he
Because
said
you
why
already
doesn't
took
want to
a,
answer.
you already took a guess.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you did take a
so
guess.
I'll
Sorry,
give
can you
host
say it again?
Govind another
Yeah.
chance just
Okay,
in
fine.
case
Yeah,
he
say it
doesn't,
again.
okay?
Fine.
हाँ थोड़ी अलग सी है, हाँ थोड़ी गलत सी है, हाँ थोड़ा अलग सा है, हाँ थोड़ा गलत सा है, ऐसा भी होगा वो ऐसा ना सोचा था, ऐसी ही होगी वो ऐसा ही सोचा था, क्यों लगता है ये अपना, ये सच है या है सपना, डर लगता है कहीं होना जाए झूठ.
Oh shit, this is not Hantum.
I have a feeling this is from Half Girlfriend
Half
for some reason, but okay, it's not.
Which movie?
Then
Half Girlfriend, dude.
Okay,
That's a
no,
novel.
nothing.
no.
Do you guys already know the
what
answer?
Movie and a two.
Okay, okay,
That's
okay, okay,
two
okay,
things. Half Girlfriend. is the
Okay,
movie.
chalo. They already know the answer, but I will
Which
half
is?
sing.
What is
No, wait. I will half sing for you guys.
Okay.
There's still more to go. I'm excited.
What is it? Let's talk to them for a
Tell me
second.
no. I'll say it now. I'll say it.
Okay.
Okay. Half singing is
Yeah.
हाँ थोड़ी अलग सी है, हाँ थोड़ी गलत सी है,
गलत सी है.
Dude, this is Hantum.
हाँ थोड़ा अलग सा है, हाँ थोड़ा गलत सा है, ऐसी भी होगी वो ऐसा ना सोचा था, ऐसा ही होगा
Salam
वो
namaste.
ऐसा ही
Salam
सोचा
namaste,
था.
But what song is this? I'm
क्यों
just happy that I
क्यों
know Salam
लगता
Namaste.
है ये सपना, ये सच है या है अपना, डर लगता है कहीं हो ना जाए झूठ.
Oh, my dil goes.
Lead it. I led into it. Literally the next line. 2.5.
Took so much effort to get it.
Oh, Dil goes home,
Very
dude.
good. The next one is keep your buzzers ready again.
Okay.
जहाँ जहाँ भी जाऊँ मैं, सारी नजरें तो पीछे पीछे आए, रुकूं जरा मैं जो यहाँ, ठंडी ठंडी सारी सांसें थम जाएं, सबकी निगाहों ने है कहा कि ख्वाबों में है देखी
Dude, without music, these songs
मेरी
suck.
जैसी गर्ल.
Oh,
Desi girl.
Yeah.
He beeped it first.
Desi girl.
Yeah,
It is sorry.
Yeah.
You just
Chalo,
have
give
to.
away.
You forgot that you have to do the
Oh,
blur.
and then
or
just give us a
something.
buzzer, yaar.
You do the buzzer. That's the game.
That I can't remember.
That's the game.
Don't worry, man. Don't worry. Next
okay.
one. This one you'll get.
Okay, I am ready with my buzzer now.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
एक तू हो मैं हूँ और सी साइड पे पानी का शोर, आजा मेरी बाहों में
समझा?
गर्ल व्हाट यू वेटिंग फॉर, तुझको मैं लेके चलूँ फिर प्यारी सी यॉट पे, हो जाएंगे हम टल्ली मैलेबू के शॉट पे.
Oh, this is some Badshah shit, dude. Wait.
Malibu का shot. कहाँ पे हो रहा है Malibu का shot?
एक तू हो मैं हूँ और सी साइड पे.
That's Honey Singh chart.
Yeah, this is Honey Singh.
Should I read again?
हाँ, read again,
Yeah,
read
yeah,
again.
read it again.
एक तू हो मैं हूँ और सी साइड पे पानी का शोर, आजा मेरी बाहों में गर्ल व्हाट यू वेटिंग फॉर, तुझको मैं लेके चल. Yes,
आज
yes.
blue है पानी,
Yes.
पानी, पानी,
Shit,
पानी, पानी,
Yes.
पानी.
Starting से सोच रहा था, but
Wow.
it didn't seem to rhyme. Okay, shit. Should have
Nicely
Yeah,
done,
dude.
bro.
Well done, well done.
I went to see Honey Singh
Man.
concert live, dude.
Chi.
Chalo. Very nice. We'll do absolute last one. Absolute last one.
Okay.
And then don't do it. Do a flip.
Okay. This is again If you pay attention to the lyrics, you'll know what song it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
But when you
Closing
pay
my
attention to the
eyes.
lyrics, you realize how bad these songs are without the music.
No, some of them are excellent, dude.
Closing my eyes.
I'm probably doing a bad job reading them out loud.
No, you
that's
definitely
that's
are.
a
You
good job.
definitely
If you're
are.
doing a bad job reading
Yeah.
it out loud,
No,
that's a good job.
Like I'm like stammering and shit. Because
Yeah,
the
that's a
text
good
Hey, don't
job.
doubt yourself, man.
Hey man, I'm
It's okay.
great. Next. Again, the lyrics are. One sec, sorry.
What happened? Dude, I shut my eyes and all for this. Yeah.
Sorry, I was just my brightness. Okay. ओ एक हाथ को ऊंचा उठा ले, ओ मंदिर की घंटी बजा ले बन गया स्टेप सोनिया, तू बन गया हेप सोनिया.
Oh, fuck, I know.
ए हो तू जो हाथ ही ले जरा नीचे, जैसे उड़ती पतंग कोई खींचे.
There's a lot of patang
बहुत
references.
पतंग हाँ वही बहुत पतंग.
ले बन गया स्टेप सोनिया, तू बन गया हेप सोनिया.
Hap.
ये
You guys got it clearly. Yeah. It's not that difficult.
It's
think we should
not.
get married.
Yeah.
But without the tune, na, it.
I get it. I
Like
get it.
you just.
See, that's what I'm saying. What are they trying to do in the song? Right?
Dancing.
If you just pay
what
attention to
else?
the lyrics. If you
What
put
are
in-
they trying to do?
Uchi-
Or
ऊंचा कर हाथ,
You're right.
घंटा.
So what?
I know, dude.
Kar
There's
le
a lot
dance,
of-
Sonia?
Huh?
That's
No.
You think
What
that's
is
a song?
what is the song?
Nothing.
Okay. ओ एक हाथ को ऊंटा sorry. ओ एक हाथ को ऊंटा
ऊंचा भाई
ऊंचा
ऊंचा.
ओ एक हाथ को ऊंचा उठा ले,
हाँ.
ओ मंदिर की घंटी बजा ले बन गया स्टेप सोनिया, तू बन गया हेप सोनिया.
बन गया hap song.
हो तू जो हाथ ही ले जरा नीचे, जैसे उड़ती पतंग कोई खींचे. तू ले बन गया स्टेप सोनिया, तू बन गया हेप सोनिया.
Fuck, if I gotta remember. This is so sad.
Okay. Now
Sing
see.
half.
Okay, I'll have
half
half sing.
points.
Okay, half for half is. ओ एक हाथ को ऊंचा उठा ले, ओ मंदिर की घंटी बजा ले बन गया स्टेप सोनिया,
तू बन गया हेप सोनिया. दोनों दूसरा लाइन भी गाने लग गया अभी.
तू जो हाथ ले जरा नीचे, जैसे उड़ती पतंग कोई खींचे, ले बन गया स्टेप सोनिया.
तू बन गया हेप. I know this song.
No, you only know the song because you read the song.
Come on, dude.
बन गया step
I
I have no idea, dude. Sometimes you don't. No, you don't know.
No, this song, you've listened to this song
I
for
have
sure.
absolutely not
Really?
listened to this song.
You
yeah,
have,
you
for sure.
have. This is a very
Definitely
famous
have.
song.
Almost
But
definitely
I say that as I know the name right now. I बोल भी नहीं.
Very famous, huh?
But,
Oh, it can't get easier, man.
I
You
can't.
guys still not getting it?
I know the song. I don't know the name anymore, and I can't.
I do firmly
remember
believe I've never listened to this song.
it. Okay, tell. Fuck it.
Ask them, na?
Can you go ahead in the song? after this?
I can't, dude. I'm not.
Okay. The
You have to
audience
sing.
gets to take a go at it.
I mean, guys.
No, but what is the
come
song? What is the song?
Dance pe chance.
Yeah, dance.
Oh,
pe chance.
chance mare.
Yeah, I have
This
no
too
idea
you
what
have-
this song
What do you say? What movie was this in?
Lovely but attitude.
I have not watched that movie.
This was a famous song, but I didn't remember anything.
Yeah.
So I have no right telling you. Okay, come on, तेरे को कैसे नहीं याद है?
Nice. That's the end of this game
Okay.
as well. Where we stand at the end of this
Yes, I
game.
got
We don't need to
one.
know every
Is-
time, yeah.
Got one.
Govind is at 50.
Yeah, I got one.
Yeah, but now you're at an even number.
Yeah.
It's around 0.5. Hoshang was at 25.
Yeah.
And now he's at
Huh?
32.5.
Just remember that's 22.5 in real life. You got 10 grace
Real
marks.
life?
Yeah.
I'm gonna
You
take
got
these
10
points
grace
outside.
marks.
And audience is at 28.5.
Yeah.
Like,
Just
those are
remember
legit
the
points.
audience. Yeah. The audience is
real
still
points.
ahead of you technically. So yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Now we are down to 2 remaining games. So
Okay.
hopefully. Okay, I'll just quickly check the camera again.
Antriksh, it's very sexual over your bare
Yeah, what is your
Slides.
Google search?
feet. This bear showing his ass.
Yeah, man. I you know what I searched for? Bear sexy. And then,
Feet. You got
gay,
feet.
gay people's photos
Yeah,
go.
yeah.
And then I
Wait,
was
that's
like,
a
no,
gay bear?
Gay animal sexy. And then, okay, last 2 games quickly.
Yeah,
Let's
okay.
go. The next game It's called How Much Did This Make?
I love this game.
Okay.
Dude,
Come on.
anything
This
money?
is-
Yes, this is
Let's go.
our
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay. How this works is I will name a very popular mainstream film.
Yeah.
And you guys have to tell me how much you think that movie would have made in its box office run.
Got it.
Worldwide
What is the
gross.
box office run?
Like during-
Just how much
in
money it
theaters.
Made in general, right?
Yeah, in theaters.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
Box office run.
That was a specific number.
But
okay.
worldwide box office, in the sense, this is not just domestic, international, whatever you want to say.
Got
Okay.
it.
okay.
It'll be in crores in rupees. Alright?
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
So it can
yeah,
be
yeah,
500 crores,
Yeah, yeah.
700 crores, whatever you want it to be. ठीक है?
500 crore dollars.
Now the first one, this one again, audience will also get to play along.
Yeah.
Okay, so they can also whoever is closest gets the points.
Got it.
Okay,
Closest, like.
Without,
Below.
there's no without going over or something.
Oh, okay.
No, closer, just closest.
Got it. Got it.
Just be closest.
Nice
Okay?
nice twist.
Yeah,
Now.
this is easier. No,
Yeah.
easier, just
Yeah,
easier.
yeah.
फालतू में हाँ, am I over or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. That
But just
that
for
old
like-
Antariksh was such an idiot.
Just for context,
Huh?
how much has the largest grossing movie ever made?
Who? Wait.
So Pathan and Jawan were two of the highest grossing
500,
movies we've had.
which is how much?
Which is more than 1,000 crores.
1,000
That's the
crores
highest
it
it has
made?
gone. Nah? Okay.
Say that again.
Jawan was 1200.
1200.
I think Dangal before that was also like 1,080 crores,
Okay,
something
cool.
like that. Some
So
shit.
all the movies are under that only. Nah?
2000 something.
2,000
2000. I actually in
Dangal
China
grossed
it
more than
did
2,000.
really
Yeah, it did
really
really
well.
well.
Dangal.
180 crores in India and then 1700 crores in China.
China.
Yeah. Yeah.
Amir Khan is huge in China.
Yeah. Dude, that's why you remember that movie had come out,
Movie, Secret
Superstar.
Yeah,
Superstar.
yeah.
Dude,
Did
that
great.
movie did like some fucking 600, 500, 700 crores.
I
in
think
fucking-
they think he looks like him.
No, it resonates.
I
All of
think-
our parents wala thing and all that resonates.
Dangal?
In China,
Okay, but
it
wrestling.
resonates with them.
No, but Dangal is all
resonates.
wrestling, nah?
Yeah, but like a
Why?
dad believing in his daughters, no?
So you think that's just
Shabash.
Chinese thing?
it also resonates with them, is what I'm saying, na? Very aggressive when he loses, man.
Of course.
Where is sumo culture? Is that
Japan.
Japan?
Japanese.
Okay, cut that out.
Korea. okay, let's go.
Okay, how much
Let's
does
win.
make this first one can start with Govind and Hoshang can go second and the audience can
Got
go
it.
third. Second will start with Hoshang and then Govind goes to second and then
Got
audience
it,
can go
got
third.
it.
All right, let's go. The first one is Adi Purush in 2023. How much do you think Adi Purush made in 2023 in his box office run? Adi Purush, did you either of you watch it?
No.
Ian, I have not seen it. तेरे को पता भी नहीं है. चलो great. You take a stab at it.
Who was in it?
So this was Prabhas was in it with Kriti Sanon. Huh?
You don't know Prabhas is? He's not Bollywood per
Prabhas is
se,
Bahubali.
but
The actor in Bahubali.
Telugu.
okay.
wale is,
So Prabhas and?
Prabhas and Kriti Sanon.
Okay.
Prabhas, so this is an adaptation of Ramayana.
Oh,
The
You know
Saif
the
Ali
recent
Khan
one that
one,
came out and
dude.
everyone
The
was trolling?
Saif Ali Khan one.
Yeah.
I'd say,
There's another Saif movie. You should have seen it 14 times in theatre, man.
I'd say,
Was he eating glass in it?
I'd say 80, nahin, 70 crores.
I think 70 crores.
Yeah.
Right?
I think under 50 crores.
Under 50
But
crores.
number bolna.
Okay, 47.
47,
Okay.
70.
70.
Are you guys finding the answer?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You're not changing your answer.
No.
70,
47.
47.
Even if I lose.
Way off.
Huh?
Way off.
These guys-
I think it's around 600 crores.
What?
600 crores.
600.
Let's see.
Okay.
600 crores, 70 crores, 47. The correct answer is 450 crores.
Wait, this is the Saif Ali Khan one, right?
Yeah, correct.
With a
It
budget
was
of
so bad, the
700
CGI
crores?
See, that's what I'm saying. It got great opening because of Prabhas, and it got good
Okay,
digital
makes
right
sense.
ka sale and all.
That
because
CGI was so bad, I
Yeah.
thought no one was watching it.
See,
had a
it was
budget of
still. It was,
okay.
it was still what they call a blockbuster.
Yeah, like a
because
sleeper.
it was made on a budget of 700 crores.
Where are
And-
they getting all
and
this
it's
money
still-
from?
Bro, this was
Dude, with
the
700
the running
crores,
joke. Exactly, the
they
running
did
joke was
such a fuck all job of
Exactly.
CGI.
exactly.
The
The
VFX
running joke was this is
horrible.
like someone's tax evasion scheme or
Yeah.
something. They're trying to, you know.
After seeing all of that, I actually
Paisa
thought
kahan
they
gaya?
earned no money.
Yeah.
But okay, they
Really?
made half of it back.
Actually, I'm happy for them.
Dude, I
More
think
than half.
Brahmastra was made in like 300 crores or something like that budget.
There are a
350
lot
crores.
of movies. There's
Yeah,
some other
but like,
Telugu
it looked
movie
way better.
that
Like, you
came
know,
now.
It could have been.
450. But see, I was at 47, which is close to 450.
Good one,
Yeah,
huh?
fair,
Acha.
fair.
What was there? Yeah, they're there. Yeah, they're there.
Man, I know this is going to be Hollywood now,
Yeah.
but are either of you fans of Avatar: The Last Airbender?
Yeah.
The anime or the show?
Yes.
Animated
I've
show?
seen the
The movie is
The
fuck all,
live
no?
action is really
Dude, the
bad.
live
na?
action,
It's fuck all,
I'm
no?
watching it, dude.
It's
like,
bad.
it's pretty great.
Of course you think
the
it's
action is
great. It's
pretty
done.
great.
Antriksh, you don't not like anything.
Yeah,
That's
of
not
course
true,
you
man.
think.
I
No,
love
dude, listen,
everything.
that's been I haven't
Taranappa
even
my
watched it. Unanimously, I've heard that the
I'll storm
Avatar.
off the show.
Yeah, at this point, it won't make a difference.
I'll take my phone.
Okay, no, stay.
Yeah, listen, me and the audience will play now. It's fine. It's not like.
Okay, chalo.
Okay, next.
So that one
Next
was
movie, yeah.
the audience gets 5 points.
Yeah. Shit, we were way off. So.
Now you get it.
By so much.
47.
Now you get it. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Chalo. How much did
I
मैं हूं
love
ना
this
make
movie.
in 2004?
Love this movie.
Last one started with
Govind.
Govind, right? This one starts with Hoshang.
This is 2004.
Yeah.
So before we have all
How
of
much
the
did Mehuna
money,
make?
I think around
In 2004.
200 to 300 200 crores.
200, 300 crore is what
200,
you're saying?
300 crores, yeah.
Okay. So wait, give me a specific
Yeah,
figure.
man, you just go with like a range.
269 crores.
269 crore. No, I'll write that down, man. Okay, now bolo.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. 80 crores.
You don't think movies make money or what?
It's 2004.
Yeah, that's the time we didn't have money.
Okay, I think
Yes, 90 crores.
90 crores. Alright.
Very confident, no? You? So,
I
yeah.
believe in Shah Rukh Khan.
I just let you be cocky. I should just let you be cocky because you're.
Yeah, you should be
Let's
like,
see.
I think it's 80, but I think Hoshang is right. What do I do? Damn it. Damn it. So 80. The correct answer is 70.27 crores. Getting going right. He's the
And
closest
they
of
were
them
also
all.
right. You were exactly right. Like 70. You know.
So
you
they get
know
the
No, they
points,
said
na?
90. They said 90.
Oh, they said
You
90.
won.
Oh, you said 90. Okay, okay,
You said
okay.
70. You said 70?
I said 80. So.
Oh,
Yeah.
good.
So Govind got full 5 points
Yeah.
for that one.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Okay, cool.
And the last one in this game. Give
Thanks
me.
for being
Do
cocky.
2 more.
No, one, but there's only
Sure,
one.
it's okay.
How
I
much
wanna
did
lose, huh?
Kaho Na Pyar Hai in
Oh,
2000
okay.
make
This
at the
was
box
a
office? Starting with
hit.
Govind. How much do you think Kaho Na Pyar Hai made?
Hit. But it's 2000.
This was Hrithik
again.
Roshan's debut movie, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
60.
Is that a fun fact to watch?
It was actually his first movie.
Yeah.
Oh, how-
60.
60.
60. Okay, cool.
It was huge, but it was still a debut
Yeah.
movie. So.
And in 2000.
So you're saying
Yeah.
60.
Yeah, 60.
Are you sure it was? You could say. Nothing.
Okay, then I'm
That
not.
wasn't that wasn't a loaded question, don't worry.
55.
55.
Wait, why did I go lower? I should have gone.
35.
Okay, 55.
Say.
55,
55.
55.
Where is 55?
35.
35. So 40. 40.
You're saying so.
40 crores.
Okay.
What do you guys think?
I think it's around 90 to 100%, 90 crores.
90.
90 CR. Okay.
If this movie made more than Mehuna, I'll not be happy.
The correct answer
It
is
actually might have.
80.01 crore,
How?
making them right, making
Yeah.
the audience right.
Yeah, yeah,
More
yeah.
than Mehuna?
Yeah. On a budget of 10
Yeah,
crores.
it was very big, but I thought
So
since
it
it's
has
a
never
debut,
happened.
I
It
was
has never
3 years
happened.
old, man.
It has never happened that after your debut movie, you
Yeah.
are a superstar.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? This movie is the exception to that rule.
Yeah.
Where this guy, dude, literally, I think like some 10 movies of his flopped or something.
And
Okay?
it was fine.
And he was still fine. Like
Yeah.
he was still getting
The
roles
success of this movie.
because he had such fanfare and fandom
Oh, wow.
because of this film. And he aced it, dude. Like he could dance.
Only one who won Best Actor and Best Debut Actor.
Wow.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Wow, dude. Oscars are never making that mistake.
Wait, they
Meryl
get.
Streep has been working her ass off for 100 years. और ये कल का नौजवान आ गया बच्चा.
Wait, they get points, no?
Yeah.
The
So,
audience gets
the
points.
audience gets points.
Okay, great.
Okay, cool. Where we stand at the end of
the second last,
game.
yeah, it's,
We have one more game after this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is 55 is Govind.
Yeah.
5 points. 32.5 still is Hoshang.
Don't reveal the audience score.
No,
Just
no.
keep it
What
to
is the
yourself.
audience?
Wait, who got the second one, right?
What do you mean?
Yeah,
I
me.
got one right.
Oh, okay, and audience got 2 right. Okay.
Yeah.
20,
You didn't add mine over.
Okay. 38.5 is audience, 32.5 is Hoshang, and 55 is Govind Menon.
You got 10 grace marks. You're still
You're
behind.
still behind. That's fine.
Oh,
That's fine.
I love
That's okay,
this.
man.
It's the last game, okay? I think you can make up.
I can.
Yeah.
And
Like
just
a
double
bit.
points.
Oh,
Double it.
You don't want that, man. You
Let's do
really
double
don't
or
want-
nothing.
Yes. No, nothing.
First tell me the game, then we'll decide.
It would be hilarious if after getting 31.5, Hoshang gets
So
0.
if I can somehow wing it and win it, oh.
Okay.
So the thing is,
Yeah.
this game, because you guys are still close enough that this game will decide it all.
Okay.
Okay, because each of these questions are worth 5 points.
Okay.
How this game works is it's called scene, song, dialogue.
Oh.
Right? Scene, song, dialogue. How this game works is I have on each of these cards written the names of 3 films. Okay, I will name the first film. The both of you have a combined option to either name a song, or describe a scene, or sing a song, or quote a dialogue from that movie.
Okay.
Okay, of the first movie. Say तुम लोगों ने scene बोल दिया. Now you have for the second movie, the both of you combined again have only a song or a dialogue left. Okay, so whoever says a scene has eliminated scene for both of you.
Acha,
In the next
okay.
one, if you say song, then
You
you
have
eliminate
eliminated
scene and
song.
song for the both
got
of you.
it,
And the third one, you only have dialogue.
Got it.
Okay? If one of you does not get even a single movie from a particular card, there is a small Bollywood themed punishment. Okay? But don't worry, it's all very friendly punishments. It's all
No,
like
I've done one.
I know.
Yeah.
So cool.
Had to
How the
dance.
audience how the audience will play this one is if they can't name something from a movie, then you guys can name something from that movie. Alright?
If kya? When?
When?
We can't.
Okay. The first one is give me a scene or a song or a dialogue from the movie Aisha. Buzz in Aisha. Buzz in first.
Buzz.
Yeah.
Okay. Suno Aisha.
So no Aisha.
Done? Yeah.
Song is done.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Song is done. Nice.
Scene.
No,
you're
not
done.
from
It's
Aisha.
done.
Now
Aisha is done.
he'll
Okay,
say another
okay,
movie.
okay.
Okay.
From
So
that.
you get 5 points. This one, go ahead. Okay. Next is Hoshang. Sorry, both of you again. Sorry. Give me a scene or a dialogue from the movie Black.
Bap.
Hoshang. said
क्या
first.
होशंग फर्स्ट बोल
बर्फ कर रही है क्या?
हाँ.
डायलॉग गलत है बाय द वे
ए
तो
बट उसने कहा डिस्क्राइब करना है बस.
ठीक है. Scene.
ठीक है
Scene is
हाँ
done.
सीन ओके कूल तो डायलॉग बचा है अभी
dialogue is
यार
left.
डायलॉग क्यों बचा है
Dialogue
That's
from
always
the movie.
toughest.
This will be easy. Om Shanti Om. Both of you said it at exactly the
No,
same time.
I said it first.
Did he say it first?
I can't.
Okay, I think you guys said it all.
Check the recording right now.
Huh?
Check the
Check the
recording.
recording right now.
So
Okay.
you want to do
Okay, let's do-
thumb fight or what?
Okay, let's do a thumb fight.
Yeah. Come.
What? No. What the fuck? No.
Sell rock paper scissors quickly.
And I
Rock paper scissors.
rock paper scissors. Okay, let's
Okay,
go.
one time or three?
One.
Best of
Once.
three.
Okay.
There's no either time.
How
ही
much
हमारे-
time do you think we have?
We go ahead, go.
When do you say go
Three,
though?
two, one,
अच्छा
go.
okay cool.
Okay.
Okay. Rock,
What do you-
paper,
अच्छा,
scissors. वैसे रहेगा ना?
ठीक है.
हाँ wait.
Rock,
Rock paper scissors.
Oh,
Okay,
Hoshang
go,
won.
go,
Hoshang
go.
won.
जब
So
तुम किसी चीज को चाहते हो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने के लिए जुट जाती है.
okay, I'll give it.
Somewhat
I use the
जुट
right
जाती
word
है.
कायनात. Kainat is the main word
Yeah.
in the
Kainat is-
dialogue.
is-
कोशिश
I
करती
used
है. ठीक है sure.
ठीक है, nicely done. Nicely done.
But you could have said a better dialogue. भागो बोल सकता था तू बस. What? When he's the yeah.
Yeah. great.
When he's the junior.
Also,
artist.
another one of my favorites is वाह acting कर
वाह क्या acting है. Oh dude, that is the funniest dialogue.
So funny.
वाह क्या acting है. वाह.
Naughty
क्या
pussy.
acting.
Naughty pussy.
It's fucking
Naughty
hilarious.
pussy.
I think after that for months I just used to
Yeah.
keep saying वाह क्या acting है. वाह क्या acting है.
Also, तुम बोर तो नहीं हो रही ना?
That I don't
Thanks.
remember.
You know, when she says नहीं. Whatever.
Okay. Whatever.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
next, give me this one. Okay, this is interesting.
So now we're back to scene song dialogues.
Yeah, all
You're
three
back.
of them.
Okay,
This set.
okay.
Okay.
Scene, song, dialogue
Shit, he got two.
from the movie Dhoom 1.
Bap.
Yes.
Song. Doom.
Song.
Wrong.
Yeah.
Saidi धूम मचा ले.
No. Listen, no.
You said
What? Doom.
your brain freeze.
What is doom?
Your brain froze.
Don't tell me that
Doom,
पीछे
boom, boom is a
doom
different
doom
thing.
doom बजता नहीं
Oh,
है क्या?
that.
Isn't
But
that a
that's not
song?
That's background
No,
score.
he was joking. That was his joke
Yeah,
answer.
of course, dude. You
How
think?
is
No,
it a
that's
joke?
fair.
How
He
is
knew
that-
the answer.
Dude, you think I
He
don't
knew
know
the
Dhoom Macha Le? The most normal, like
That
the
was,
song.
he was doing. I
but
don't
you
know what he
didn't
was
say-
doing, but he was
I
doing.
think-
Dhoom,
I
Dhoom.
think-
I think you're giving him preference for his followers, and I think that's bullshit, Antariksha.
अरे
No,
यार
no.
धूम मचा ले बोला धूम 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 जो
Correct,
बाइक
correct.
चलाते टाइम पीछे धूम
Correct.
धूम
Background
He's
score,
right.
there's a clear
He's not-
difference
he's
between
absolutely
the
right.
background
Yeah.
score and
He's
lyrics.
right. He's right.
Come
So
on,
both
dude.
give
You
both
got
of us
10
scores.
points in the last one, man. Chill,
Give both of us both.
Okay, now give me a
Scene dialogue.
scene or dialogue from the movie Dhoom 2.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
A scene where Aishwarya Bachchan steals something from the museum.
Okay, fair. That's fair.
Okay.
Scene something.
I was gonna go with another one, which is my favorite.
Hrithik Roshan steals something from the museum.
Hrithik.
Yeah, he's a statue.
Yeah, he's statue. Dressed in cement.
That's right. Or the Shahrukh one,
yeah.
where he's Hrithik.
Shahrukh is
No,
Shahrukh
that's
is
Dawn
Hrithik.
2. You think you're Dawn 2?
Oh shit! I mixed it up. Thank God I didn't say it then. Thank God I didn't say it then.
Okay.
Okay.
Now give me, so scene is done, song is done. Give me a dialogue. It's gonna be tough from Dhoom 3.
Oh. Oh really? Okay. Go.
वो मेरा भाई है.
हाँ?
क्या?
हाँ, आमिर खान का उसमें double role.
यार एक्चुअली हो सकता है मेरे को
हाँ,
exactly
yeah.
नहीं पता. हो सकता है,
When-
but
when-
no,
या फिर
I don't think
वो
so.
दोनों भाई है.
I don't think ऐसा है.
when? Who says it?
Amir Khan says it about his brother.
I know
When?
one dialogue which is okay. You guys don't know?
I
But
gave the
first-
dialogue. That's the dialogue.
Yeah,
But
I'm
is
not
this a
sure.
dialogue?
I don't think that
I
exact
mean,
dialogue. is a thing.
you should have watched the movie before
No,
coming
no,
here.
but no,
There's no way.
but
There's no way. That's
who is he
if we
saying
don't
this
readily
to?
know it.
He's
Saying it to someone else.
Abhishek Bachchan.
हम दोनों भाई हैं.
हाँ. Because वो दोनों भाई हैं actually.
दोनों
But-
भाई हैं.
हाँ.
भाई
But
तो
I don't think
है,
that's the
but
thing.
they
Do
never
you guys
say.
know? Yeah.
बैंक बोलो तुम्हारी ऐसी की तैसी पापा ने बोला था छोड़ना हाथ छोड़ना नहीं साथ छोड़ना नहीं
वो मेरा भाई है करके कुछ है क्या?
Dude, I am 100% sure that's there.
You know what? Let's see. Let's check.
How are you gonna check? You're gonna
How
watch
you
the
gonna
movie.
I'm gonna say वो मेरा
Oh,
भाई
he
है.
doesn't want you to check.
No, you
okay,
can
he's
check,
lying.
dude. You
Okay,
can
sure.
check. But I don't think you can check that. I don't think it's possible.
Shit, you might be catching up, huh, by the way.
Thanks, dude.
Hey, remove his grace marks if he catches
No,
up,
no,
huh?
no, no.
Of course.
What?
It's not.
No, I don't.
What do you mean?
Forget about it. It's not.
How do you know?
He doesn't say वो मेरा भाई है, dude.
How do you know that?
I just checked.
That also
how did you
doesn't
check?
sound.
See, I checked the best. Google will let me check this.
So you check best dialogues from Dhoom 3.
No, I
and this didn't
checked.
come.
I checked. वो मेरा भाई है. Dhoom
dialogue.
3.
Doom 3, yeah.
That's not how it works.
That is
How
it
would you
works.
search this,
I
Hoshad?
don't know. Watch the movie.
Yeah,
Okay.
you want me to sit, take a pause right
Okay,
now,
go on,
and
go
watch
on.
the movie
Okay,
and come
next,
back?
next,
Okay,
next.
audience gets
Okay,
points.
Listen,
for
I
that.
think
Yeah,
you're against
audience
me in
gets
this
points.
game.
Now it's
Okay, you know
song.
what?
Song left, na?
You got Doom 1.
Doom, no
2,
song's gone.
and
No,
Doom
everything
3.
has happened.
Okay, last one. The very last card, and the last thing we'll do on this episode is give me a scene or a song or a dialogue from the movie मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ. Yes.
I'll give you a song.
Yeah.
मैं पापा की परी हूँ मैं पापा
Wow,
की
how
परी
do you know
हूँ
this?
मैं.
Wow, I didn't think you'd
Yeah.
know anything from मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ.
Is this the other movie you like?
Actually, I really like this movie.
Tara Rampam. Yeah, really.
Sorry.
यार सी रम ने बना दी जोड़ी.
You know, I knew immediately, but I took a second to answer because
Yeah.
like, should I accept that I know this movie?
Okay. So song is done.
Yeah,
Yeah.
scene or dialogue.
Give me a scene or dialogue from the movie Taxi number 911. Yes, 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 yes.
Scene is where John Abraham is late to go to court and
Yeah.
he keeps throwing money at Nana Patekar, 500s.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You remember the money part, huh?
Yeah, because
you
I was
mean-
like,
vendor,
shit,
You mean
let's
how?
go.
You mean how I've been throwing melodies
oh my god.
on this episode?
No, I
Govind
remember.
and I don't
we
accept
don't
that
accept
at
this, by
all.
the way. This is.
We have no
fine.
we
That's
don't
fine.
involvement
agree
in
with
that.
How else I'm supposed to go up to them one by one and give them?
Or just don't do it. Just
better,
give them
man.
later.
Okay.
It's like, you see, the way I'm imagining it, there are
Yeah.
like 50 people in the audience. You know, throw, and people like fight for it and shit.
For
That's what I want to
melody.
see. That's what I want to see. It's mine.
No, but I
Okay.
remember Taxi number 9
I love this.
क्योंकि the
Yeah. अबे
apartment.
ठोकू क्या? He
नहीं,
says,
the apartment John Abraham stays in, it's near my house. So I was like, oh shit, I know Oberoi Gardens. So I was like, oh fuck.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So now,
I felt
scene
that
is also
watching
done.
Padmavat. Hey, I've been
Song
here.
is done, scene is done. Now give
Dialogue.
me
It's
a
just
dialogue
dialogue.
from Mohabbatein.
Fuck, I don't.
That famous one. Come on, man. Come on, famous one. That's super famous.
Oh,
हाँ बोलो.
मैं उनसे प्यार करता हूँ.
तेरी माँ की आँख साला कुछ ही बोलते रहेगा. मैं तेरा भाई हूँ, उनसे प्यार करता हूँ. आप मेरे ही पिताजी हो गए. साला.
अरे यार, I wish I knew the sequence of this.
Okay, I'll give you. But if you don't-
Anushaasan, Pratishtha, Pratishta, Anushasan.
The order has to be correct.
You're there, man.
अरे यार.
He also doesn't know. He's checking Google.
Pratishta, Anushasan. अग्निपथ क्यों आ रहा है? प्रतिष्ठा अनुशासन. प्रतिष्ठा अनुशासन अग्निपथ. प्रतिष्ठा अनुशासन.
Then he has to get it right. You can't give it to him
अरे
like this.
यार.
Give it to the audience.
Okay, see.
Audience.
You are wrong.
Oh no.
Yeah, you get it? You-
No.
He's wrong.
I don't think you're gonna get
परंपरा.
it. Okay, now those are three words. You're right.
अनुशासन प्रतिष्ठा.
Change it up.
अरे और
No,
Johnson will
wait,
give
dude,
him-
he's there, यार. Let him take it.
Yeah.
No. Wait, yeah, say, dude, I'm leaning towards everyone. ऐसे मत कर.
Yeah.
I'm
You
liking
have
everyone.
10
You're
points.
against it. I know.
हाँ, just correct. So you're right. The three words are those.
Yeah. अनुशासन.
Correct the order.
परंपरा.
So another fun game. Correct the order of this.
Yeah, actually, परंपरा प्रतिष्ठा
It's been
अनुशासन.
more than 30 seconds.
परंपरा प्रतिष्ठा अनुशासन.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
If you watch Mohabbat-e, I'm sure there's a scene very similar. उससे
मुझे
करता हूँ.
प्यार करना.
I'm
मैं
sure.
उससे प्यार.
मुझसे प्यार कर.
Watched it like a few days back. So.
नहीं.
Oh man, you.
Yeah.
वो
I
मेरा
don't
भाई
know.
है करके कोई डायलॉग.
You know what you could have said? Hoshang, you know what you could have said?
Yeah.
You could have just said the word mohabbat. That word is said
So many times.
1500 times in that movie.
But that's the word. That's not a dialogue, na.
I mean, मैं उनसे मोहब्बत करता
या
हूँ.
प्यार से के बदले
नहीं,
मोहब्बत बोल सकता
मजाक
है.
कर.
Good point.
Yeah. I think that.
Why did I say that?
Alright, cool.
Okay, where we at?
Brings us to the end of this very awesome episode of that filmy game show. Where we stand with the scores is
Do you want
doing
me to
maths?
calculate?
yeah, of course.
Not with your score.
Yeah.
Like with everyone else's. With yours. It's like +1. Okay, done for a while.
Okay, cool. Where we stand at the end of all three games
Yes.
is the audience is in third place at 43.5 points.
That's all I wanted, honestly. That's all I cared
Wait.
for.
Hoshang, remember you got 10 points grace.
points. Okay, 43 points.
43.5 is what they're on.
Okay.
Hoshang is at 52.5.
Yeah, he's behind.
No. So with those 10
Yeah.
points, he's at 52.5. Without those
42.
10...
Listen, bhai,
He's third.
That doesn't matter.
No, he's
Actually,
third.
You don't have to mention that.
ठीक
No,
है, I
he's
don't
third.
have to mention it, I just want to.
No, I'll
Yeah.
mention it. I'll mention it
And
if you don't want to. Hoshang is third.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Coming in at number 1.
Finally, I
The
get
biggest Bollywood
Badshah.
Badshah.
Not Diwana. I was gonna say Diwana.
is
Badshah.
the one, the only, Govind Bharat.
Wait, how many points did I get?
75, dude.
Shit.
75 points. 75.
Holy fuck, that's a
Wow.
lot of points.
Yeah, you
I got
actually
9
look so
points
happy.
the first time I come.
He did get 9
Yeah.
points.
I was so
The one
bad.
he was
I
on with
was
Chinmay.
horrible.
13 points the first
Yeah.
time I came.
I was the lowest for a while. Then Saurabh Pan got 0. Nah? Yeah.
Saurabh got 0?
Saurabh Pan did
That's
get
what
0.
made me feel good.
Yeah.
He's just sort of messing around.
He was just joking. Yeah, just joking. Yeah, correct. Legendary episode.
Thank you.
Govind Menon, acceptance
Thank you,
speech.
thank you.
How do you think about winning this award?
I actually feel good. I'm not even gonna. 9 points. Second time I got 17 or 20 points or something. And
You did,
Mikhail.
yeah, correct.
With Mikhail.
Yeah.
So this time 75 is
Yeah,
insane.
what a jump.
Like,
75
what a
is
jump.
wild,
yeah.
dude.
Yeah.
If I add all of them, I still don't reach 100, but like close
Yeah,
enough.
you're right.
So that's what
Close
I'd
enough.
like to say. Thank you. Thank you.
If I had mine, I don't even reach 50, dude.
And I also like that Oshan is
9
third.
plus 19 plus 75 is more than 100, right?
Okay, then I'm just bad at math. So,
Yeah.
like,
It took me also a minute to do that maths. I'm like, wait,
but
is
thank
he
you.
right?
I
What does it say,
I
right?
liked winning, but what I liked more was that Hoshang was third. That's what
Hoshang
I
was
actually
third,
liked.
that's
Yeah.
what I liked.
Technically, I wasn't third.
We all know. We all know
no,
you're third.
ulta. Technically, you
Yeah,
were
technically
third.
you are third. But with those grace marks, you're not.
That's it, guys. That brings us to the end of this very first episode of That Filming Game Show. Thank you for joining us. And if you're coming in from the other show and this is how you find it, and that's how you find this show, thank you for doing that for us. Please hit that subscribe button if this is the first video you're watching on this channel. And hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. You know what you have to
This
do.
camera
Tell your
went off
friends.
for a while, so if you don't see our close up for a while,
That's why.
It was, yeah.
That's
it
why.
went. So,
That's fine, यार. ठीक है, होता है
fine.
यार.
First
Tension
class है यार.
tension क्या है यार?
बस winner.
This is very
Okay.
fun.
Which
Digvijay
you
and
don't get to
Anjali,
keep, by
we
the way.
are guys, we are lifelong friends with these guys now, right?
Oh, 100%.
Of course, right?
Yeah.
We'll go
First
to
and second, dude.
Yeah.
Like,
Do you guys have children? Okay, so first child, name it Govind. Right?
Jesus, dude, please. I
second
don't know
child-
why my
second
parents
child-
name me Govind. Dude, I told them to not name me Govind. Why would I?
Yeah, if you really want to torture them, ask them to name it Hoshang.
Hoshang and Antariksh. That's the one. Antariksh. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. See you again next week, ideally. And bye-bye.
Bye.